So I have to stop calling her Melissa.
Remember that? Who that? Yeah, what's the name? I'm saying Alexia, give it for you.
I was just a Melissa.
Yo.
Ready?
You ready?
Over, yeah.
Hold on.
You need to go 2 kids side. Look, you can see people.
What's that?
Show them my 40. Show them my 40. Ready? We're gonna call nobody.
Alright.
Look at
Let me tell
how
her
you can
nobody.
get in the ear.
Man, I know. Man, I know. I see it. I mean, edit it. I'm not go.
The same to that block off though.
Yeah?
Yeah, live lavish like you can't even call nobody.
We have the rest just this side?
I think someone.
Any side good enough?
Oh, 2 people. Oh, I want to No. Something fishy.
Yeah, brother. Yeah?
Yep, you see him?
Over there.
Show them my 40. Show them my 40. Show them my 80.
Whoop. Easy. Easy does it.
Teammate that behind here. Teammate that come up behind here. And next team. And next team I push, careful.
Yeah, I see him.
Whoa.
Oh, shit. In there.
Next one, the other. Don't run with people better than me.
No. Where that come from?
Yeah, go scare you, Tony.
No one will listen.
Yeah, Max boat.
Never minute here. Yeah, look sir. That was some bandages.
Yeah. Yo, Youtubical, up top.
I start the stream quick.
Yeah, that me that do it when we
Yo,
do
me
it.
never know so the thing there that work out so the point. Whether you know hide push me coil and I beat them shot for the man.
Hold this if you want to carry it. Oh, I'm gonna take out that. The mini.
Oh, the minute is yeah man.
More people are coming now.
Shit.
Big thing versus a gold scar. yo, me not understand that game, I swear. Tony, the man have aim but aim.
Whoa.
Aim but aim.
Yo, the man have aim but aim. The man that just have aim but. You dead, Tony, you dead.
Come on.
The man lays a one man a shoot after me. Ho! Yo, I have right hand peak, and I have the most powerful gun in the game. And him kill me so fast. Yo!
Man melt a quick stone, no lie. I'm see alive just vanish.
You see?
Where gone?
Oh, you gone?
Man, for you left for them.
I take a spot for
Where you gone?
Which spot?
You're back very funny, thank you. Can you join Joyce Lazada?
Yo, man, I know why people not get notification here.
Tony, me can't see your body.
You're not supposed to have somebody. Suppose the man that hear you say that. Eh?
What?
Suppose the man
We're
hear you
not
say
talking
that.
about the game.
Yeah, man.
Yes, George, you can join just at my epic.
I will name George. Listen me no George.
Georgie.
Listen me no George. I'll tell you a thing, you know. And I really say it working a George. You know what I mean?
Yo, the trump of Fortnite. Trimmy gaming.
Best console. Best console Fortnite player with Royal Bomber skin. Hold on, who
What's
the
my
brother?
name? Felicia. Felicia. Who you call him?
Oh, what a brother wait.
Stop. Not too much on the game. What go on, mama? What go on? No, stop.
Mama, do you give your consent to use a voice on YouTube?
Who me, no, stop. Paula, cook.
Yo, Jamaican
cook.
people, them just you cook done.
Paula, I feel the bias to them, man.
Jim, if you're some pieces that Jamaican inspire you, would have.
Huh?
Hi, Blaze and Gamer.
Inspire you,
Welcome to the stream. So you have to me? If you want to advice on YouTube?
Yo, listen to mama, me I send some paper there in I post office there. I go down there and sign them here. Tell him I give consent.
I stop. Don't kill me.
That brother love me. Alright. I swear, if me not kill you, something wrong.
I told him before.
That brother over this way there now.
Why?
Love me in scope here, man.
Oh, what's your thought?
Yeah.
Your sister about share them land over there.
What now?
Enough, man. Enough. Give me that.
It's enough.
Send a faggot friend them for come. Tell him for come. Come, man. Come again.
Let me say no.
Of course, me see them.
We're not sniper. Why this such a log with the building?
Know yourself. Come here.
One the cross, what you say?
Oh, what? Somebody else. West 285 on top of the roof.
Two of them. One the under and one the over.
Be careful.
Watch up.
Tony, you can pick me up in
Wait.
the place you're trying to snipe.
Let's go run the far end.
They're below you, Jimmy. Be careful. Build up, Jimmy, below you. No, go on the help, Jimmy. Run, go on the help.
He might kill me. I can't believe it, man, miss that. Yo.
Man.
Yo, I one man left over there now. Go over the two, nobody build. Just go straight over the two now. One man left up, and he's going to raise to your right. He's not to your right side. Rover the same there, pick up him friend. Yes, man. Send him home, man. Wet him. Right, he told him, the man one shot him. Yeah, idiot. More no, oh, you jump. More no, oh, come you drop off of this one up on the roof, me jump. Yo. John, man.
How you hold up with the blue there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, come to that.
Come now, come.
You watch that.
Yes, very funny. Where are you?
Nah. Cheers, pick a spot.
There's no hope with her. She's
Not 9 days, give me here.
Yo, my controller won't charge, so I mute my mic.
well on the controller talk first when you mute your mic.
No, it's about get static. If it mic
Oh.
on the USB plug-in one time, it'll get static. But I turn it down low enough,
Okay.
it didn't affect it, so it's supposed to alright. So I'm wait when I hear it though.
No, mama. Big girl.
So we'll send her the video.
Come here. Come here. Listen, I'm not picking up my son to go out. Let's just let her go down. I'm not picking my son to go out.
Give me more. Give me.
Tell mama. Yes, tell mama bye-bye. Tell mama bye-bye. Tell mama bye-bye. You watch it now when you want.
But the tier one better come that way, and I don't know if I see him or not.
Give me more. Give me.
Which I'm a full shield for.
Never chug those.
Don't drink the chug jug. Alright, drink the chug jug. Yeah, drink it. Drink it.
Clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands for joy. I feel I sung that man, Jesus loved to hear.
Nice.
So, uno loot far.
It's like a mugger dad.
Children have a big shield here.
Alright.
Bro, how many 10 minutes already from one building?
Make it come straight.
Jimmy,
I forget before it's
Yo.
2 hours after, but
Hold on,
start
hold on.
here.
I get 13 minutes and
Yeah,
3
it's
big
3
shields
before
from
2.
club alone.
You can't carry. Alright, never mind. Let me carry
I
my
carry
4
10
minutes
minutes.
then. Me carry my 4 then.
You know what come to 3 big shields?
The 3 big shield?
A 3 big shield, no matter 3 I can carry my enough 3.
Oh, alright then. I
No
will be
loot
there.
everywhere already, yo. Watch out, one building alone, my loot out tonight. Watch it.
Ready? Ready?
Sit Oh, wait a minute. Oh, why am I easy as a block?
What time now? 7 o'clock. On the yeah. Oh.
More minis again.
I mean, you got
I
the
can
4
carry.
minutes, you know.
Oh.
Butcher. Alright, do some.
Yo.
May I drop it? Now, me
What is it?
No, stay up on the floor. May I drop it down?
Yeah.
See me here, Tony.
Yo, me a cut, you know.
Some this, also some yes. Okay. How much out? If you want more, that's there.
Well,
Yeah, last slurp juice that up.
what I lost.
2 slurp juice? Yo.
Some strange with that game, if you're gonna need a whole heap of meds.
Alright, so somebody, oh, I shouldn't go. Me too. I can't wait till he's old enough to like walk behind me and communicate with me, call me mommy.
Go on, wish them kind of evil for yourself, yeah?
I'm not evil.
Serious.
It's gonna be so cute. Especially when
It's gonna be so cute. Just wait, man. Just wait, man.
Yeah.
Time is the master, you know. Time is the master, man.
When you use this with your mother?
It's gonna be so
Me?
cute.
No, I was a nice little girl. Well, used to cry enough, but I was a good little girl.
Yes,
No,
man.
seriously,
Make mommy worry about you and the bus driver. Yes, man. Are the bus driver Tony or the taxi driver? Which one?
Bus driver, man. Bus driver is big.
Okay. Alright, man.
I feel like it's gonna drool on my head.
Not yet, no. I see a tack. I need to get that tack. The tack is my life. Oh, there you go. Actually, I did like that. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but to face. What?
Private.
For you to don't forget me, babe. I remember you say sometimes it lasts too long, but sometimes it hurts instead.
That's how you like that?
Yeah.
I think I tried one try a new circle.
It's a different run this still, you know.
Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were
Hello, listen, me now. Mine make YouTube strike me for copyright, you know, lady. They ever sell.
Strike sheet.
Right?
Alright, so why is my ping so high? Oh man. Oh, fight, because my ping already.
Body not fight.
Fight.
Man, lion weak.
Okay. I'm gonna end the stream right here, guys. Go follow to me.
What feel like one there?
I'm gonna start pinging this guys. This won't allow me. No.
Behave yourself, man. Have manners. Give me that.
Oh, I'm more than one team.
Take which kill? I'm gonna take no kill from me. I'm gonna stay out there and fight.
Oh, and you are which there?
More people.
I'm on the up top. Shit. Yeah, move. I'm going to kill.
Keep building up on.
Come. Team come down there.
Come on. He's almost.
Ah, shit. I have to find some shield.
Why they have so much scar, man?
Now go there.
My controller.
Jesus Christ! Why they have so much freaking scar?
One.
Idiot. Big idiot. Big idiot. Fool boy.
Behave yourself, man. You have too much damn scar. Wanna come pick me up, please? You get so much scar from. How much drop off of this and dead? Yo, that freaking game I see, man. Wanna have to pick me up fast, you know. 2 make it then at the storm.
Wait.
Cause I have to go move. Who try to pick me up already? Me go get the 2 make it them. I drink that slurpee and go get the 2 make it them and move. Move, Ucha, move right now.
Yo.
Move. Sorry, me tell you for move.
Big idiot fool boy, I jump down.
I need them medkit there, no? No
You have 3. Where that video loot did there? I kill him. What him loot there? The one that have the 2 scar them. Oh, see that?
I chain the scar them. But the brother when me kill off did have scar to say I tell me so much scar them brother I get.
Yo, the man, Tony, I said the man have 2 scar. The man literally have 2 freaking scar.
So at 60 rounds I get pushed with.
What me go? Why me run come that way? I'm not even up. Yo.
Yeah, they make it them so.
I don't know why I run that way. Yo, I don't know with me in that game from what year.
Come on, you make it. I push you.
You're not dead, let me make it in my stamina.
I'm not gonna dead. I have 3 of them. Now I got it.
Come on.
Tony, you good?
Yeah. Oh, make it out of some more earth on the before.
Have all minutes food and stuff.
I have 3 big here.
Alright.
Yeah,
Lexi.
Shit. Yo, then I get my kill. That's all I'm killing her.
Oh, somebody has sniped.
That's the whole squad they out there. You the bane of them, Uchi. Move. Don't push.
What me I do?
Continue run circle. Don't push.
Yo, come out of the storm. Come out of the storm.
4 will drop. Mark finish me. 4 will drop.
Brother, they become butty.
In the right to your right, Jimmy, so be careful.
I'm for that to my right.
Your left, yeah. I'm just a switch by you.
Man, staying at the storm just for the...
Can't help you, not Tony.
I know, man, brother. Do you think? Watch it, I come back in at the storm to try to finish. You go to little butty.
And probably when I'm friend, then probably come out of the storm.
One the way over there, so to that end the way I look now. Camp, the man in my camp edge of the storm.
See me the youth I'm about that. Don't hide in a bush.
No, you're not for hide in a bush. Don't make practice hide. I don't do it very often. I just because I don't want Bill and draw attention from them brother, but I go kill them. I go back and fight them. Don't feel like I go back and fight them. See them there?
I will end there.
See them over there,
Go
sir?
back closer to
You
yourself.
see them? I see them. I see them.
Yeah, I know when people trash, you know.
You have to just keep running. I'm lucky.
Right, the one they glimpse you.
Right next to back.
I'm gonna eat that, man. You don't know good.
That's fine. It's fine, please.
You kill him and take him heavy.
No, I'm good with them have. So I'm have
Heavy
there.
sniper.
I'm probably
Heavy
going to
sniper
next
on top.
time.
Oh.
I stop calling heavy shotgun heavy. I snipe on him so now cause it heavy. Where the other title?
I didn't that over there, fight? Bye bye. You don't need to get res.
Plus 50 then.
Yeah. Somebody in a building here, right?
No?
Shoot it down.
I left that. I don't know.
One of them jump down already.
No, I'm not dead. Want him to come down with that want him for that. Three of them. Three of them.
I just left.
Somebody's still up there.
Watching now 6 people at once. Boy, demolish now. Where am I go?
Sure.
Build a pro. Nice. No, no. Let's see. No.
This here guy.
You see him?
Yeah, I see him. I see him. Time I use bricks, I see him here. I see him. On the house.
Over there.
Team over there, sir.
Let's see.
Team there again. What the next one they do? Are two people left, you know?
You one already, man.
No,
No,
oh
you
yes.
want one
Oh,
man.
me
Like,
and
you
him
want one
alone.
man, brother.
Shit.
I don't hearing. Go on.
Why might be no, because at one point me did see three. Last time I looked, me see three.
Yeah. I beat the circle, beat the 2 circle.
Here, come.
I must see one of them. How much run water?
No?
Oh.
It again.
Nicely done.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt. That's gotta hurt.
Of course that hurt. Like a big
Wow.
that shoot out wall.
So you clutch it, you calm, composed,
Let's say bullet
like a
catch him.
general. Bop.
Bop.
Yo, that silence SMG they come out clutch though. Man, I like
Yeah, man.
because the brother what me did now. You see when I come off of the hill and shoot the barrel, double barrel half time and him build this up. Yo, me just turn out with the silence SMG and just pop him, you know. Yo, him get back, man.
Yes.
Oh, am I yes for? Tony, no buy no foolishness, you know.
Oi.
Hey.
Come back, yo.
You want come back?
Emote, no longer you want this here from
Tony, you could have given the 500 V-Bucks to buy.
You didn't want it to know.
Yeah.
Brother.
Clutch axe.
First time one.
No, I'm not buy that. Maverick. Yo, why who gonna pay 1500 V-Bucks for them skin there?
And it's a glitch out.
Yo, GG's chat. Yo, don't forget to leave a like, you know.
The burger. No matter how much I say my V-Bucks the next battle pass. I'm going back to
Cut your mouth. Thank you. Thank you. Let it go.
I know so the boy did have a silence kit. Adapt me doing it. You see, because I know so him there, I just take the right peak and I know him have to give me him head. And just set up myself. And when him shoot the first time, him did want to come back again. So I just wait for him and just wet him. Pop.
When I see him knock out.
So I see him knock out the wall. I know so him want.
Pull back for reload and come out again.
I just catch him right there. Right there.
Lexi. What's an all up on that stretch?
Yo, almost every game from come on, I find the new star, you know.
Gone.
The drop rate feet low,
Gone.
it's extremely high.
I shouldn't walk.
What we have a greasy? Yeah, a greasy. Red.
Oh, so I got the girl coming. So I have to pick them up, pick her up. Her guy has work, so. But I mean, she probably should share the news once she comes, like. Oh my God, streamy. Man, eat what am I fully stuff in here.
What?
Come out.
Hey, listen me now. When you don't dead, you know, do not die. Alright. That. Do me not touch no other game, you know. Do not die. Alright.
Somebody in there, somebody in there.
Cool. Jesus, why Tony have to be the first one today?
And that game is a feast. You realize the space between the two shot them when we get, right?
Yo.
You realize the space between the two shot them.
Tony.
There's a pump in music.
Alright, Uchi, nobody did, you know. Run for your life, you know, my friend.
You don't know me already.
Yeah, I know sir, that you gotta do. I know sir exactly that you gotta do. Pam pam.
Drop at the big head. Drop at the big head. Nobody drop there.
That me I gotta do. Tony, where you there, Tony?
The house.
No, me I land in that house. Land in that house first. Start at the house. Yo, listen me now, man. Listen me now, just come over here, say, no.
No, I got a big.
Come over here, so.
And that loot it and then come over there, so.
Yo, no. Just come over here, so. Alright, you know what, Mama? Alright. Don't come feet.
Oh my god.
Give me that.
You just come over here, I'm tell her to come.
Where you find a silence car?
Oh yes, sir, man.
Every sniper.
Oh. No, she can't keep that. Trust me, she can't keep that.
Heavy what?
She can't keep
A
that.
heavy what?
Alright.
Heavy sniper?
You can't keep that. No, man, there's silence car to find, man. You know what? How much of them there? Yeah, come? Yeah, come? Come, man. Come, man. Follow me.
Wait there, they can't save. But first.
Hey.
What says a new?
That one they kill me, make sure you kill that.
What's that?
Over there. Yeah man, she's here man. Do the master. You know the emote where you knock your head out and 2 plus 2 equals 4 come up after you kill her, that.
Idiot. Freaking idiot.
Bap?
Idiot.
Put my charger.
Pick up that man. Him feel like telling me that stuff like that. I don't know where my run go.
Jimmy, big shield over here, Sophia.
Yeah, forward. Oh, 2 of them. Come for that one now. Come for next one. I bet the minis are running in front of the house. I don't know what them set the launch pad this day. No. I don't know why them set down the launch pad this day, but okay. Alright.
You want a sniper? A semi-auto?
No. Only when I have a choice, I'm going to take the purple scope AR over it any day. No. Yo, you know the feeling when you headshot a man with that and you get 187 headshot and you wonder how he's not dead? Yo, that feel disgusting, you know?
Yes,
yo, especially when you get like a perfect shot at distance and you time the drop. Yo, it feels, it does. I'm just drop the gun. I'm not even fire next shot, but just drop it. You have to kind of lucky. That's why I love the heavy, you know. That's why I love the heavy. Cause you see, if you only have 150 health, yeah, 100 health and 50 shield, I'll get it, you know. Yo, brother, snipe me one time with one in and a half a HP me left pan, you know. Now, I did one or half a HP, one out of the 2 of them. Yo, I tell you. The half a HP something, man. Sometimes it come in clutch, man.
Like, one realize is most times when people run up and down with 150 health a late game and they never try no meds with no.
Nah man, late game if you have that money and a man buck you with that man, God, not even God can help you. Cause once he touch you, all if he touch a pinky to a dead.
That, but it's anytime I run up and down, I'm up on 150, I find a mushroom or something. Give myself a second chance.
Yeah, but them need to spread the mushroom, especially the apples them throughout the map more.
Apples
So
are so bad, because them up certain things.
Look for greasy. Greasy and pleasant now have apple. Oh, greasy and pleasant can have apple.
Greasy have apple in it.
Where? Inside a greasy. Inside a greasy. No apple in a greasy. Trust me. None. I check. No apple. Yo, peeps. Don't forget to leave a like if you're enjoying this stream. Nah, man, for real, man. Yo, the double barrel OP. It's OP, I swear. Yo, Missy Deco and I run up and down with 3 grappling hook. And 2 double barrel. And that's it. And nobody can't even touch the man. Nobody couldn't touch him.
Use a grappling move and then swing on back with a double barrel.
Yo. You see, by the time him shoot the first 2 shots, and then him goes a boom, boom, and when him shoot the first 2 shots, him switch immediately and then him grapple. Yeah. Then him grapple. So you see, by the time him grapple and switch back, it's ready for fire again the next one. Yo, the man land right near your face. So when him land right, that's why I hit that, you know. Him not even have to aim it. All him have to do is just squeeze the trigger.
People they east 105 on top of the hill.
See a mini over here saying us.
On top of the hill, can't carry minis. You have any nothing.
When are you getting that?
You have rocket launcher?
What's it to me? I'm running.
You can't carry the minis?
No.
Alright,
give me. Where are they?
No man, come on man. No, the minis. Where you circle? Oh, we are going that way. We're not going this way. Oh, see all the money right in front of me as well. See me right as well? See me right as well? Oh, check it. Look there. Where you go? Hey. No. What's that? What? Oh, that pushed me off of this stuff.
Look how far the man in my life.
You're in the shop.
Look how far the man. Yo, I need nothing.
A good man.
I shall bring the minis then.
I never have no chop, Tony.
Yeah,
me have chop them here.
Like in there, wait for chop if I put one chop in the front.
Yeah, I know. Give me that.
The minis them now.
Yes,
they're in handy.
Oh, me have minis in. Me have one in. Me have one here. See there. Oh.
I think gone high again.
Alright, let me take that. What the fuck though? 20. Guess what? Why not?
Yes, I run the 2 of them.
Why not? Well, the next one we did over yesterday. Whenever they did over yesterday. Somewhere. No. I 3 of them. I did 3 of them. I did 3 of them. I did only 3 of them.
See what I got on the
I'm going to take that instead.
1.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
alright.
That. Aye.
Yeah,
the man heal up here. The man get a cook right in the skull, yo.
Wait, so right now I'm scared. You know what? I dash you this.
What's your head, you know? Eating skull
Brother, make
fuss.
up your mind.
I keep this.
Turn the band
Right
out.
to surrender.
I hate it. I do it nicely.
No man, make them stay over there and fight, cause I don't think them have circle, you know. Them not have circle, you know.
Oh,
Them not have circle, that's why I'm not really get involved in that. Cause them not have circle.
yeah.
To make them fight.
I feel like I get pushed from behind soon.
Bull supposed to fall down soon.
Cause the
Watch
brother
out,
them
you
will
must
just
open.
go up there, you know. I will shoot that.
Uchi, with the.
Just there,
one
aim me
in
up.
the-
Ask Tony.
Yeah, one in the lineup. Uchi. They have to teach you.
No, that are not Uchi, that are me.
Are you in their lineup?
And you say I mean try shoot off a while ago with the heavy.
Oh, right, kid.
Alright,
Take
forward.
a shot on him, learn him, listen. Watch him.
Yo, touch it, where are
Oh, I
these?
told him, I told him, I
Come
told
back
him.
up, come back up, come back.
Nobody go dead, you know.
No.
Me at
Oh, knock.
bomba.
Uchi.
How you knock him?
Listen for the
How you knock him? You know?
And him knock.
No, trim me. Me still the bullet. I see that clip them, I see it.
Him launch pad, don't pick me up. Him launch pad. Him launch pad to me, stop.
Legit tight in the beat.
And you want him alone, you want him alone.
I told them.
Wait, no? A squad. Fool.
Fuck me. Yo. That no star.
Yo, Tony, that one that did mad still.
Yo, why you have to do that? What? Tell me why you have to do that. Why that was a necessary thing? Yo, me know. Yo, you notice it every time I say that it always happens so when I get sniped. Every time. I don't know. Alright. Me I start left on you now. Watch. Last time that me I try raise. Yo, yeah, clip it. Yeah, right. Just watch. You're going to end up on a clip. You're going to end up on a clip.
The seat, man.
Yo, it's bad. I didn't even know.
And when the man sniped the back, me hear the gun go
No,
off.
but
and me
it
see the
went,
bullet.
no.
Trim me.
It
Me
fly
see-
past my head though. It never come to me. It
No,
fly
Yo,
past me.
sometimes the bullet look like it pass you, and then it just clap you.
Because remember say a coach, you know.
The man even a dead.
The view kind of, yo, Trimmy.
Oh, you're
You ever get to watch a movie and then zoom in where the bullets are come from? I saw we see the bullet, you know. You see the light that flies through the ears. I know.
That music come from a mile, I never know what to do.
You know, some escape that already by a building.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
When me see
But you
that
have to
come,
fast.
shift over and bill. But yeah, you have to do
Why I
it
never
fast.
know what to do. That come like a woman, a piano go drop on a woman, and then she just stand up same way. I swear. What?
I'm gonna amount of time, man. If you're quick with it, a split second you
Yeah.
count and it will just destroy it.
Oh.
More while I just with that
Yo.
one them in a trust it. When I hear the sound
Yo,
go,
me know
the
enough.
sound go off,
Me know enough.
boom,
Wanna do it all the time.
boom.
Wanna do it
Now we
all
see.
the time. And every time I say, yo, don't peek. Then you hear, pop. Hold on there. Yo, I swear, man. I gotta stop.
Why you
Yo,
trying to kill it here?
I gotta stop picking up.
No, you're not stop, man. This game is mad slow. How do y'all play PUBG or PUBG?
Yo, them girl will go for Instagram with them ask me question foolish, you say, no. I wanna tell you. Yo, some things that them money I send them, you know. I see them pan them stuff, I just daily laugh thing them, you know. Jesus Christ.
Tony, you ever play PUBG?
Nope, no interest though.
Don't it?
Huh?
Yeah, watch my arm.
Mm.
PUBG graphics irritate me. I'm not feeling a 28.
Jamaican police working out here. Mm.
Hey girl, you alright? You alright? Lexi? Lexi, you okay? Alright, Tony, don't dead.
Alright, Uchi, don't dead. Don't get sniped.
I know say most half of the time I snipe me, I'll get sniped. Or get somebody come up
Cause
and
you love
bomb
enough
me.
of yourself. More if the man did call you and say, hello, come show me a pretty face. You love enough of yourself,
Of
man.
course, that's saying shoot
But,
me night.
alright, go on, no, go on, no. Next time he shoot you tonight, you're gonna stay there and him gonna shoot you again tonight. Oh, cause me nah help you, know. You see him do them full peak there, me gonna stop help you, no. I'll stop help you,
So
no.
how you peep? How you peep then?
After you take a snipe and
Yo,
then
you see when you do that, you move, you change angle. Now man, you go back at the same place, man. You know what you do? Feel like say because she kill the man right there, so she want go back, go kill the next man. The man just wait and up, pow, and just wait it. Enough up on yourself all the time, man. That reach, you know.
So where I go?
Me I go in a dog
Anytime
house.
me get sniped
In
in
a
a
dog house,
situation,
me I
I
go.
somebody I never see.
Monday, yo, I be a Monday at dog house. Then no spot for go. Come with
You
me.
know, marker there, and nobody in there.
See me?
Yeah. Ucha, what you
Back
do?
to me, back to
Relax,
me,
no.
back to me.
Just relax, no. No! What? Ucha, the man one shot. He might end me like a little. Yo, if you look for him, two of him dead. Send him home. The two of them. Two of them. Hurry up and kill the man. What up? Stop jump for you jump for him now the gun. Stop jump. The man I kill you now. Where you jump for? Tell me where you jump for.
No,
Yo, me tell you now. You catch a jumping thing too. You take up the jumping thing too.
Who did somebody walk in front of the TV?
Where you jump for? What? Yeah, I know. Yo, me see, me know, you know.
No, seriously.
Yo, you see that jumping disease, yeah? Me I tell you about that jumping disease, you know. Yo, I swear. Tell you about that jump. Yo, no jump too much, you know? Yo, everything you jump for, you know?
Somebody there tell me. Somebody there tell me not to jump for you.
Yo, don't shoot him. Behind you. 20. Bob. Yeah, jump too. No, moving up. Don't move.
We're jumpers.
Move now. You're dead. No. No, you're dead. Bomba.
What?
Bomba. You're dead now. Bob. Him a box. Him not a chop. Him not a chop. What that?
If they ever get you,
You're catching still.
What?
any other second on everybody in the same moment.
No, the other one really shoot a 40 HP, man.
You know, man, is a headshot now you get. Pong send my invite, man. Send him back one. Ask Bull if him not forward back on.
Thank you.
Yo, you know what me I gotta do? You know what me I gotta do? You know what me I gotta do?
See?
Why you change the controller settings? So?
Hold on, no.
Quick builder, alright.
Hey,
No.
what the recycle one? You want some?
Yeah, put it pan. Put it pan, build a pro, Jimmy. Build a pro, build a
But
pro.
that is the
Yeah.
pan.
What? No, man. Safely
Yeah.
the pan. See,
That take a while to get used to still, you know. I feel like
yeah,
just
one
take up
like
the
for that.
pro and I
I like a video for that. Jimmy, go back pan it, not for conference that it really go pan.
I tell us I eat it the pan.
No, seriously, go pan it. Me want to say for myself.
See there? I eat it the pan. See there?
For earphone? People will play with online. My friend them. Make it hear them.
Oi, oi!
Tony. Tony,
Yep.
what school you used to go?
Faga bar. Up a Faga bar up there up on the Red Hills Road there.
Your bush school. Bush school.
Which bush school youth? Youth, listen me.
Agricultural, what they used to study.
Listen me, listen me, youth.
Youth.
40 Scadir said there none protest. Behave yourself.
What that mean?
Alright, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Do not worry yourself. Yeah? Don't worry yourself. Do not matter of fact too. On my phone, I put up my picture. I put up all my picture. I put up all my picture in my uniform too, cause some boy attack of them mountain. Some boy feel a joke. No, hold on, I not take no boots in here, cause them time I did ugly still.
I know why.
Them time I never so pleasant looking still. So I not go bother put up that.
Where you guys going?
Well, me that thing, but forgot tilted still.
I gotta fix up that with there now.
But we're not gonna tilt it. We need to get rid of get used to that
Builder Pro guys.
rubbish.
Alright, Chimmy, you see when you switch to the build menu, either press and hold or press 2 times.
He will find out, Tony, don't worry.
No, me have to go start. Me have to go start claw no, that me have to go start though.
Builder Pro come back pro quick. Builder.
Me have to go start claw, that me no want do. But me have to put on my paddle them still. Me have to put on my paddle them. Don't worry yourself.
What's the paddle?
Don't worry yourself.
And you can move.
Don't worry yourself about my paddle. It will make me look like a superhero. It will make me look like I'm there on PC. You feel so? That's a regular occurrence still, so that now not to do the paddle. That happen on a normal day. I have them in but I just have to actually get used to using the yo, me trade a mini for a big shield right now. Yeah.
Why not just do one of the
So the two one end up in a same house.
Don't worry about that people.
No, I'm not worried about it. I'm just asking how to end up in there and like 5-6 hours there and greasy. Oh, I'm find a next big shield. Alright.
Right, Tony? We want to be close in proximity so that, you know, we don't die.
No, why you feel like you need to end up in the same house as me end up in a... Yo, that bread, yo.
No man ready over here, sir. Tony, don't come over here, you know.
Watch over there. Give me that two man. Come out here. Come out.
Oh, nice, that baby. Yo, what the...
Gotcha.
Debbie, somebody said that's the worst game.
So you change the material now.
Left direction.
Yo, man, I like that, you know. So now you have to use the direct. Yo.
Yes,
yo. Alright, then may I just make it auto change then, because I
Yeah,
can't bother with that.
parachute.
I can't
Yeah,
bother with
auto
that.
changing.
You never have it for auto change.
Yeah, but me like to use brick. If I have enough wood, I like to use metal and brick for, just to like build up the things and them something. So I'm not actually fight.
Oh. Hmm.
Tony, how you want to give me that double barrel there?
Why?
See, it look like you want to give me it still.
You take up 3 big shield and again and then.
No, I have 3 big shield. I tell you, if you give me a mini, I'm going to big shield, but no one give me a mini them.
That means you must take out the rest of big shield and where you find.
I have minis, phone, I have big shield phone, but no one give me a mini them. So I keep my big shield them.
Keep them, I don't want them to.
Because I know say the one who have big shield, you know, have minis, you know. Here, Papa said, but she don't want them. Yeah, here she wicked.
Ah, never mind. I find a big shield. You can keep it.
You girl, you not come give me the minimum and get the big shield. Try boogie by myself. Try boogie by myself. Come for this, man.
I don't want it.
You don't want it. Alright, cool.
No.
Nothing wrong. You keep it.
It's on earth.
Me on earth? Yo, and me a full shield, you know? Why? Why if that's on earth out there?
Alright, carry come, Jimmy.
Don't worry yourself, man. It's safe right here, so. Watch the face, man.
No, it's not safe.
Nah, man, it's safe, man. I tell you, say it's safe. What am I match there? How come I not have more match than this? Oh, you know why? Come here, we see. Come here, we see. 375 brick? Hold on there. Alright, now, I get the brick. I get the brick. I get that. Even though I can buy that, I not buy that. I get the brick.
So where you want to buy it?
Just give me the brick we have, man. Don't worry about that. When I think we have time for me buy that shit, but I try. All it just time me, I go kill me, you know. So I buy it. Reach 200 brick. Nobody know a brick.
You want to know what that? Come and give you a brick. We have to see our first.
You don't have to see our man. Come now, carry the brick, come now, Ucha. Need 100 brick.
You want too much out of life, that's all.
No, I just want it out of you. 100 brick, come. Not
Brick
out
can't
of
come
life.
out of me.
Out of you. Yo, carry the brick, come now, man.
Brick
Boy,
cannot
you
come
laugh.
out
Nah,
of me,
again,
sir.
yo, come now, man, carry the thing, come now. So, you like going to self-trouble? So, you like yourself trouble? Give me the brick, man. Alright, no bother. I have enough. I have enough. No bother. You can keep that. Me just keep my big shield too.
Really? Really, Timmy? Are this the one? You want? Here. I'm going to give you a brick.
Wait, why not chop?
Hold that, hold that.
Oh, yes.
I don't know what you want with that. I don't know what you want with that stupid gun there.
You know more with that one there too. You know more with that. Watch out with Max board. No, yo, go and chat them three there. Go and chat them three there. Wait, my friend. Yes,
Funny.
my friend. No, the three them. Not that one there.
Yeah, the cheat them.
The three them. I know she know what I want to chat the three them.
Let's
Yo.
go in the...
Alright, people come from over the hill there.
What them there? So they want jump out of the rift and I can't see them.
Right, that's some early away from them with that.
Yo, go in a rift now. Go in a rift now.
No, I'm going there.
Whoop. Bop. Bop. Boppity bop.
Oh, yeah, got tilted. What?
Not a flare.
One of them. The one of them.
Where you see one of them? Where you see?
Right at the house.
Which house?
Oh, so we have come from the bridge.
I would just use that.
One of the bread
No.
on the sea.
Oh, see that.
See me, so?
Him gone. I know you, my go for Tony. No, I'm gone. I'm gone.
More people?
I
Full
used to go
squad.
that. Used to go that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why would I go that way there. Why would I go shifty side on the circle and this? Yeah.
The circle of fire.
Was knocked out by the storm.
How you play that? The graphics just look terrible.
PUBG.
It's not. This is more realistic than that. Look how fake that looks. This is more realistic. No. No. What do
How
you
am I play
mean? Look
PUBG?
at it. That does not look real. This looks real. Look at it. There's
None of them not
moving.
look
Those
real.
aren't any
PUBG just
moving.
look like a Atari game.
Atari.
PUBG look like they on me.
PUBG, watch it. The grass moving and moving around through it. Look on this. The grass moves. No, the grass moves when I move through it.
Yes, I've never yet noticed that.
Really, Tony?
I'm not run and look down. Look down for the grass.
Yeah, the grass move when we move through, but in a PUBG, the grass stop.
can see
It
the
wants to
sway.
how the man I run to. Watch it, we have motion. Watch the man, watch him, watch him. No, sir.
Look like it's a sticker move. Yeah, no, don't use that ethanol.
Thank you, baby.
Watch out, 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 watch out.
No, something wrong with that thing here.
Watch out,
Shoot
watch
me
out, watch out,
down.
watch out, watch out, watch out. Yo,
Who
bull
miss
up.
it? Who miss it?
I,
Not dead.
yeah, what? Yeah,
Not dead.
I because we stand up and wait for Tony. I because we are wait for Tony. We should have go with him.
Because they decide for the foolishness.
No,
They never
how comes I me make him miss it? I think she make take fall damage. Yo,
Uchiha.
no.
The man kill Uchiha.
This is a sign.
Oh.
Hey man, so you get
Yo, see some people over here saying Tony, where?
them thing already.
No man, are different people, man.
People are beat
Yo, alright, me a cut.
You wanna drop some minis or something for now?
See?
Yo,
When I
can't
say-
drop nothing for you.
Oh Lord.
I know.
Dead.
You remember if I come here? Let's see if we can sniff one.
Which one a wall again?
Yo, Mr. Then.
So you say when you see them that help me. That not really help me right now, you know.
Yo, don't
That's
come
all
towards
right, help
the man
me.
come towards me. Shit, two more I move up.
What? What?
Two more I move up. What is it? Wait, somebody. Uchiha.
Yes?
Come here, let's keep on going.
With no life.
You have enough, man, you have enough.
What?
Watch the water. Watch the water, pardon. No, man, a two teams over there fight, man. Let's do anything. I'm there in a water stage. Are you the one that
No. Nothing pick up, nothing.
I left the unicorn head out so you can see me. It look funny. So, need for this. Wait, I make it float. What you get?
What the? That's so cute.
Use your oh, you move. That's how you use it 100% of it.
You have anything you can give me?
No, minis that now get out.
No man, that not gonna help me right now.
After the boat.
You see some bandages in about. You want a big seal?
Bill? Thank you, game.
There I go. Towards the first.
Me, I'm coming to help you. With no lie. In drop?
When drop where?
I'm there above there. Can't see on himself. I'm there in a box up there.
The man!
Oh shit!
Yo, wanna come shoot the man! Before you come here, moon over there, so shoot him!
Quick.
One on the pick me up!
Oh, Tony,
One on the
wait,
pick me
Tony.
up! Who try pick me up? Pick me up! Tony, don't make him kill her, you know.
That's crime.
Make him go on up there, man. Two of him friend them knock, you know. So make him go on up there.
You might come down. Shit. Kill him.
Yes, man, come. Yo, what you going with them? Bombard! Me take that off of hand. Give me that. Bombard! Yo. See a double barrel there, you know.
Any bandage up there?
Give me a minute. Yo, 10 minutes there, I say, you know. Yo, that game are too sweet. Me have to switch back.
Any minis up there?
Yeah, me have 9.
You have 9 bandage?
Drop my rockets if you not have. Oh wait, no, mama.
Yeah, me have 6.
Yo, I got the board it have. Yo, I have a all load. Yo, all goal. Why the heck you drink the slurp? Alright, why am I drink the slurp? I'm gonna tell you why I'm new control scheme. And you know you're trash. Why not drink the slurp? Huh?
Yo, you can't peek.
Come here, sir, Ucha. Come here, sir.
One up sniper.
Come here, sir, one there. Where there?
I'm coming.
King in the place. Jalapeno, you got a spot available for me? Yeah, bro, add me, bro. Tony, come over here, sir, too. Oi. Come over here, sir, man. Hurry up. Come over here, sir. Man, I tell me about weight, youth. Weight is a heavy load.
May I go back from there now?
Watch out. What? Look here.
Uchi, can do something to me?
Bye-bye. Oh, what?
Never mind.
Alright, then that game is going to be a stalemate. And them have the circle. So, who have directional pad?
I have 6 coming.
Wait there, Tony. Drop them.
Stalemate your poo root.
Youth.
Go over there. The down one.
Which one you down?
The one from the right hand side, the right tower.
Shoot now, Uchi, shoot. Don't stop shooting now. Shoot up top, man. Now, man. Up top, man. Push Tony. Push, Tony. Push.
No, man.
Just put a directional pad on the ground and bounce. Push yourself up in the air. I'm dead, you know. 20 with the snipe. Yes, you would. Get them. That dead. I'm not even gonna go out there. I just dance. I'm not even gonna go out there. I'm not even gonna go out there, so. Why you try to shoot me down? Alright. Just remember you violate the orders here. You violate the orders.
That. Let's see where you put
Yo, GG's in the chat.
I'm about to dead now.
Why them still a spectate me? What's a spectate? What's you living like, Jude? Right from the hillside to, you know, with the view.
Dolly Dan. Who's Dolly Dan? Who's this Dolly Dan person? Who the punk hazard, brother? Him good, Tony? Him have views? I can invite him or what? What you say, if you invite him, Tony, or what? Oh, alright then. I don't feel him fall then. Alright then. But now what I blame him. Vomit. Yo, peeps, don't forget to leave a like, you know. Man night party talk to himself. I don't know where my wait for. Make him go and wait now. Tony, stop use that emote there, Tony. Cause me now
Yeah,
go
man,
waste my 500 V-Bucks, Tony.
wait, no, brother, the thing sit there. You just want to forget it.
More realistic.
Take it seriously, join.
The update don't make it realistic. Gameplay is supposed to make it realistic.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah, we so.
Me don't know why you make why me don't know. Yo, Tony. Me stop play with you. Me stop play with you.
Yeah, so me, you want to charge of it now.
yeah, I'm not talking about those. Just look at it.
Brother, as my snipe them, as my snipe them on, me decide to alright, man, run up. Me the business was going, man, run up. Take a wicked piece of fall down. If you even try to shoot me, me dead.
First of all, that bird is.
Yeah,
You have the one that makes it look fake, you have the one that makes it look real, you have the one that's for blind sight. Do you have that? What? Blind sight, so colorblind too.
Okay. No. Look.
That's just
No, y'all just.
I don't know, he's gonna he's annoyed.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello, Otto? How are you guys?
But it's a bunny rabbit here do the same thing. Yeah, everything coming like saver. Where we are go?
Alright. Learning, but no.
Tilt it up now.
Where we are go?
Tilt it. Building over here, sir. Brother, where is them for?
And I tilt it first.
Yes, very funny. Where are you? Jeez.
Trim it, jump. Finally, everything.
Yo, listen now. We now jump, you know. Oh, tilt it. Alright.
Never
Oh, I'm not tilted.
You want some punkers on? Use
Tony said anyone.
Where you say tilt it pan the deep bush internet there. Alright, me G. Yo, make sure the whole of the nice same building now. Cause right now, you know, Ucha go dead first, you
Yeah,
know.
man, we have a building here. I think them probably land below we. Yeah, one day now. Punk, you hear him?
Sure, below we are above it.
Supposed to below.
But you know, what's up?
Somebody else run up.
Come up here, man. Come up here. Outside him there.
Oh, holy Tony, come here.
Yeah, man, him name cut down.
Hang on, outside him there.
Cut down whisper. Man, move the Tony.
Man, cut down.
How that been on damage?
Whoa, hey.
Still got dead.
One better. Him have no gun?
Give me this too.
Boom.
Oh, bandit him did that.
You should have run. You should have stand up there. Youtubical, watch yourself. Mine make me dead.
Yeah, man.
Yes. People are coming from.
Yo,
No.
give me an ear. Somebody give me an ear. One Ragnarok.
Hold this. This one in my one, so now I'll have to go.
How much people there, yo? Easy yourself, man. Where are they?
Youtubical, why you always set up yourself for dead?
Oh yeah, easy yourself, man. Where are they?
Tell me, why you still go towards the house and walk going there?
So why you knock out the wall with the door where me I use to peek? The man knock out the wall with the door where me I use to peek, the man. Alright, come in, because double pistol alone me have, you know.
Hold on, give me that.
Yo, rush that pool there, you know. Rush him, you know.
Hey man, him a run.
Yes, man, a long time I want to kill you.
One more to the right.
Give me that. Give me that too. Yo, nobody not on the heels. Nobody on the heels.
Yeah, hold it.
I don't need that money. You can keep that.
One day, sir.
Somebody
Me hear a chest in it. Me I go for it right
Right
now.
below the wall.
down underneath the stairs, no?
What in there?
And then that come down over there, so.
No.
Alright, there's some air.
Yo, one chest there, so you know.
Move across, right?
How the chest there? Downstairs?
Somebody is a porter.
Yo, one and a half a porter.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cause I better don't kill it. So the man, instead of the man loot the house, the man I try to fight.
See them on the hill.
Oh boy.
Now another. Now push up our.
I keep me dual pistol. Is what? No.
Where do I pistol? You drop them to me?
Me have one grey, I have two purple one. I have a purple one. Not two. Oh, see the next purple one, yeah? Come on, sir.
Yeah, it's part of me and Uchi are gonna know with them there. Right, the war just done. Oh, and it's still a loot?
Why not?
People.
Yeah,
I see
you
people.
know, so we see them like the first 1, 2, 3 times and Tony said, behave yourself.
I lie.
Why you never see it? You never see them?
No, sir.
Yo!
That's your mistake. That's your mistake.
You know what the worst part about that? I mean the two of them decide for shoot.
Come on, Uchia, fuck me, man.
Why?
It's too slow. It's too
Fuck
slow.
me, man.
Why I mean them choose to shoot? And all that snipe shot they missed, man. Yo.
Uchia, I'm ready, man. I'm ready, yo.
I wish you
My
keep.
people are there.
Uchia, take your food out of my mouth.
No. You're going too far.
Wait till tell our bill.
Yo, listen me now. Listen me now. When you not gonna promote no violence or incite no violence from the stream, you know. No farmer food taking out a mouth now go on and say with no married woman, you know. Do that for your own stream. Alright. Now I tell you now again.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
Yes man, go for fair stream, go do it man. Don't do it for mine. Cause the man can't come call me and say, yo dog, what kind of thing that? Me no depend on that. Alright.
You're going to be the last person to call you.
Me I tell you right now, no bother with that.
Can't say to me never say so.
Do that for no one time.
Peeps, me have minis.
Oh, you have minis? Alright, me take two of them then.
No, one. Like oh.
No, you can't go 1-1 Beijing.
Alright, now take one and make myself go 50 and then you can skip it.
Me hear people all northeast.
So we're 20 there. We're 20 there with the minis. Watch over there. Watch over there. Watch it.
I drop it at the stairs so you see what comes.
Yo, watch a joke, you know. 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 He knock on the floor. Where the 20? I don't know where.
No, say you black me.
Straight down the stairs, left at the end of the stairs.
No, but watch over there. Watch over there now. Watch over there now. So, one more mini there. One more mini there. Youtubical, one more mini there. Alright. Alright, cool. Now watch the face.
Why box lead?
Hold on, man. Hold on.
When I look features, they just on cap. What are they for the house, yo?
I'll tell you them.
Man, them pass on soon, I'll do this.
Yo, I miss them days where I could have stayed at Tilted and run up and down and knock down every house in every building in Tilted. You can't do that shit no more.
You can't still do it, man.
Nah, man. You can't do it in like a regular squad game or a solo game. You mad?
That way, I don't know.
What's he mad? Man, him come here some buck, you know, and a lone grenade launcher to you, know.
Timber.
That, me I tell you.
I would
Yo,
have
all
believed
you hear them a drop. Ting, ting, and you
I
just
mean,
hear
let me
boom,
grenade them.
and you're dead. Yo, King, up top, me G.
them and then left it.
Hold on. Where you go? Come on. Land this one.
Somebody build go up the hill, no?
The people that killed you, you know.
That's where I go.
No!
Where?
Jesus!
Oh, I see them.
Look at Zoe run! Look at Zoe!
Don't run, Zoe, don't run.
Woo, woo.
One shot left. One shot. Yo, brother, I love the update. I have never been so accurate
come
with
to
my
yourself.
shots.
Up to me.
Yeah, what? Yeah, Chimmy for.
Should I come back? Our family are far back.
Yeah.
That's the whole squad.
Bye-bye.
Nice.
Hello.
Come on!
Me tell you, say Youtubical first are dead, you know.
Fall under something.
Hold on. Oi.
Shit, man.
Why shoot me an Inguzo, man?
Always.
Shoot me an Inguzo, man.
Watch out! The gun empty.
Zoe was a bad girl.
Watch out, brother.
Why should I stop playing with me?
Stop do that, man.
One know when I do.
Drop, man.
Yo, why? Yo, me never did need the help this, you know. Him did already dead, you know.
You know,
Listen up. We don't want you explain how long you run her down. I mean him shoot.
No, I stop there. No, but I'm here now, why she run?
Tell us your Youtubical for see that dead still. I start bet for them people that are dead, you know. I start bet.
Any game I see me I did first, see me I did last. Yeah?
Who can carry the armory?
All I know I got dead before see me.
What I bring it out? So you tell me say that brother only have a dual pistol and a
Anybody have
and
ammo
a
for
shotgun
grenade
and some
launcher?
clingers?
Anybody have ammo for grenade launcher?
Yo, on need to pay attention to the surface still, you know.
Remember, me have a rifle now, sir. Tony,
Who do this?
Alright.
Okay, did I do this?
Oh, me have max board. Alright, my thing. Hold on, which way me I go? Yo, what happened to me from what day?
And I go the wrong way.
Yo, a beer that happened to me today, no?
You're great.
Tony, me can't move from me. Me have riff. Oh, Lord, don't touch me.
I know star.
Lord, don't touch me there.
You better go tell Avil, I swear. Oh, I think I swear.
Oh, guys.
Anybody have ammo for a grenade launcher?
Yes, this
Me have two rocket. Who that a sniper off of me? One of me. Yo, I'm go shoot the man with the SMG star and no bullet in I go. Yo, I want me if you tell us it rough, nobody on a bandit. Yeah, put fire upon man. Listen me now. Why for that, you know? We not put no fire upon no man around us. So. Listen now, Tony. You can put fire upon man. Me not end that. And me not put no fire upon no man. Yo, who chain on a bandit? Nobody on a bandit.
No.
Alright.
Your head back well up and stop this.
I have 4 kills. You have 1 Tony.
Yo, no, Uchi a thief my 1 kill still.
No, ask me how long there no man. Fuck
Now
now.
what's going on?
Bop.
Bro, yo, right now. To get you right now, fat booty.
Better, but you still, oh man,
Bye-bye.
she shot for the girl before and she
you never did.
fire the shot. Can't see no more.
Tony, who you are looking for now?
Behind you, Tony, behind you. Show me. Please let me run, please let me run. Show me, in the here, show me.
Box!
Yo.
Yes, who do that to me? Yes, who do that?
Man, give me a chance to move.
See him better where you shoot after, and he run
No
out.
man, no one. I'm still over there, so. So when below there, you see my shoot now?
Okay, now.
You know who that?
Watch out! No! What?
Shoot me dead.
Show me. Run. Okay, man.
You telling already?
I'm coming! Yo! The idiot with the sniper rifle shoot out the wall, man! I can't understand how my box me from a next box. One can pyramid me from a different box. Him down there below me, him down there in front of me, you have a box in between. One can pyramid me.
It's a game matrix film, so alright.
Yo, I'm telling you now, you see, telling you say, Trimmy not dead first, or Trimmy last are dead. But just plant it. Just plant it, all sorts of things happen to you to make Trimmy dead last. I don't know which monkey Trimmy they find by you, but why?
Yo.
The nice game comes to a tragic end.
Alexia?
Yo, Jano Star. Yo, them people always see that double barrel there. That double barrel something there. That double barrel something there, you know?
That's about 23.
Yo, Tony, you see, that's the thing, you know. I don't know what all this I do make all this I get back them with, you know.
But then, brother, I push one man, but me think
No, because you never see the two of them.
I want to see.
Oh.
Come turn on and I look and I block off.
Come I wonder how him bop you, how him snipe you. And come me see the two of them, me see the two of them.
Trimmy snipe the man, Virgin. Trimmy snipe the man, wait. Tony snipe the man, Virgin, and the man run down behind the hill. The brother was
I know the brother will kill Uchia. The brother will kill Uchia, them two brother them attack.
I two brother will kill, I want I brother them will kill Uchia.
I know, so that me I tell you, say you never see the two of them round there build up.
A punk me I tell you.
Oh.
Punk there say I see him brother with my sniper after.
No, and I him kill him.
Him come see me chop over car.
No, all him shoot out the wall, make the man them jump in behind me and shotgun me.
Yeah. Then I say, I know them never gone far, him just go run.
Yeah, him shoot out the wall.
Because when Uchia did say somebody shoot her from behind.
Oh man, we need to get a new headphone, man.
They go snipe him. I'm a turn on black him off, but I never
need to get a new headphone. I want to start new headphone.
Black him off. I'm going to just put the wall less and dig it up right there.
Alright, where we are go?
Still see it again. Wasn't a bad push.
Yo.
Where we are go?
Fan, why are you doing this, sir? Same building we go, right?
Uma pawn shop. A pawn shop where I go? Or the same building?
Same building.
She like mark things.
I'm gonna get that one.
Was it intentional?
Yeah, I know it wouldn't be intentional, man.
Because
oh!
Where are guys? You better move! You better. Let's see, 100 man on one back. You need.
No, I think I sneak up on the scene.
Yeah?
Just give me one of them shotgun, you know.
One now.
All our people when they know if you shot. Hey, give me that shotgun. Oi. Tap lick out the wall. Give me shotgun. Hey, take that. Oi, where you go? Take that. See how your feet though. See how they behind your feet.
Let's see, they are really good.
I know say all you have to do is deal with it, so me take it further. Alright, forward now.
One brother, oh no, there's another. Yo, that made it get open well. People there. Yo!
Oh.
Man has both streamer.
No, Tony. Oh, you're lucky. Say you're low. Yeah. I would the boy run and jump out when he me come for him.
Yep.
Yeah, man. The boy
Then
jump
I
out.
come past the
That
game
man jump
game.
down.
Yo, so when did I jump
Look,
go?
man in the reach drum.
Boy, you're a screamer.
Me a band-aid now,
Give man
Tony.
time together and start. Me a
Yo,
band-aid.
see I make it here, so Tony. See I make it here.
Where you there?
So Tony didn't even give
In
man
a same
time
building
together
now, kill
and
him, man.
start them properly.
Let's see. Tapping eyes now. Tapping eyes. Me say, me never tell you for arguing, me say tapping eyes. You don't know tapping eyes? Little girl?
Yes, I want to go on now.
Jimmy,
What's going
I'm
on
going
there?
to war.
I eat that. So why me can't, why me can't shoot him?
No way.
Give him a headshot.
Oi.
Why are we?
You're not on top of the post of food.
Where you go? Where you go? Where you go?
Come on!
Come on, game.
Me there downstairs, I'm gonna finish me. Left on a gun. Spit, man.
One more come in from North, you know. Two more.
Which way you're running?
Two more come in from North, them over the garage. So what you say?
Them a run, come run?
No, them not come out yet. Them still in the garage.
No, the brother will kill me also.
In downstairs, don't go in there, chop.
Them a come round, them a come round now.
Yeah, heal up, you know.
Them a come round.
The man set a trap in the building. In the building.
What's that? Okay, I'm on this. You finish him? You're in that.
Dead.
Oh shit. Still people pushing me.
More people.
Watch out.
Yeah. This thing, go ahead
I
and
better
Punk bleed out, yo.
Yo.
yeah, me dead, man. Hello.
One more.
It's a road skin.
Yes, man.
Man, gone. Look
More say where ma go.
Now come to me.
No, you can't come nowhere because two are in a ear apply. So I don't know where you
No,
go.
Tony, I said Tony, not you,
Oh.
not you.
Again, I want to XP my gear. Oh gosh, man.
You can't go back in a tilted. That's why you have to come back in a tilted.
Time.
Hey, man, Tony. I mean, why me keep on that?
Yo, the man there over there saying Ucha, the building where we land. Not.
Oh. Be careful, please. Grandma soon come.
Oh, him riff again?
Again?
Watch over that.
Uchi, I need that man.
The man get so much riff from. Yo, I can't believe you have 1 kill alone, me have. That not right.
I'm see. Wait, a was kill? Is that umbrella?
No, yeah, him have one.
That's why I'm a prone.
Come here, me wonder why. Me not have more than 1 kill.
Him teammate did under yesterday, man. He never want cut. That's a good
Knock
friend.
it down. Try you that,
When there? Never spoke.
You right away, sir.
Nobody abandoned this.
Yeah, man. I have bandages and campfire.
Him not a
Oh,
shield.
him there. Oh,
Tony kill him.
nice.
Tony kill him.
Brother, why so much star there, yo? I have 2 star on me there. Well, I have 3 star on me there.
What color?
Me take any color cause it's a common AR I have.
The bandages them here.
Yo, hold on, I need some ammo, you know.
What's up? We need
I have
some
band-aid.
more.
Tony, me
Hold
have
on
band-aid. Me have band-aid.
What's up?
Make a
Maggie,
plan.
Tony,
That's 1 more minute, man.
the band-aid there. See 9 there.
Missed up.
AR ammo there, people. Please and thank you.
And that is some 52 there.
we have
Give back some of them
campfire.
band-aid there.
You
Give back some of them band-aid there. Of course. Come on, Pastor Woman. Come on, Pastor Woman, stand up. Hurry up, hurry up.
Where on tonight? One on the rifle?
Tony? What the band-aid them there, Tony? Please some band-aid. Please and thank you. Alright.
Yeah, we're going to hide that scar here, you know. No, left it.
Left it right, sir.
No, man, I hide that.
Yo, man, I have no match. I have 0 match. A joke. Can't even build a wall right now.
87 up. No, man. Jimmy, you love your little bridge then.
Of course. The green top that?
Wait, what?
They really gonna back over tilted.
Oh, see some AR ammo there.
Footsteps. In here, sir.
What did they do?
No!
Wow.
Brother, as we look up, the swear shot inside the building, man. Of course,
No,
I will
what the
finish.
hell?
Come on, man.
Bomba!
Shoot from this, sir.
What them?
Yo! No, me not have no shield. Me not have no shield. And him get the first shot for me.
Shoot it from there. Right, that.
Nope.
Me not have no shield, me not have no match. Me couldn't even build a 1 wall.
You kill the other one or something?
That's not ask whoa now go.
Still the working at 2 then. Let's stay with it. Or move on.
Sorry. You tell me to say, please go to the machine.
Mommy, don't kill the boy, mommy. I beg for him. Who's that?
That's all like a Tajina party.
What here?
No.
What they on in that party? Oh,
No,
what
let's
they on
say
in
7 minutes. My pet turn it off and
Hold on, I look for that bathroom now. Them just read it up. See the bathroom, the kitchen. Brother, just like, hold on. See.
So what they
Yes,
near
I'm
somebody else?
I was gonna do the nursing. That way I can branch out with CSW as well. But
Where are we going?
would have to be the yeah, the registered.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Yeah. We have to get some income first.
Where are we going?
Huh? Yeah, it is hard. Yeah?
Yo, atumbo one, atumbo two. Nah.
What I like is the mom to finish it. Yeah. You look tired, Lexi, that's good. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I was looking at the face.
Little girl, stop the singing, me say. Yo, I see if YouTube tell me, say they want to give me a strike, you know, I tell them, yo, you gotta give me back all
You
of my
can
revenue
delete.
when I earn, you know. For my 2 viewers them, you know.
Which revenue
That
you
me I
earn
tell you.
now?
I say, you gotta give me back my revenue for my 2 viewers them. Alright. Yeah, make sure I
I
tell her
hear
right
you.
now.
Wonder if I so long you take our father to go buy gas and come back. Wonder if I so long you take your father to buy gas and come back. Land backside, across the street. I have.
What are they? What are they?
How we Tony there?
Especially at this time of the night.
I got me
It's
say my free where we there.
I've been with him all the time. It's not like this. Based on my experience, I know it's not busy.
Sorry, you. Sorry.
That's your experience. How long ago was that
Tony
again?
gone camp the spawn.
Exactly.
How much kill Tony have?
No, man, I just one better day.
What time? Do you know what time it is?
Uche, are we landing at the house? I know.
We land at the house, but I'm in there again.
Yeah, the loot in there?
Oh, Peter and then.
Yeah,
Properly.
I guess so.
Yeah, me go back to and loot it over.
Watch I'm not going to go find a sky.
Fortnite, lovely. Fortnite.
Here on my backside, I'm gonna try that before you. Give me that medkit, then, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. Make it in a safe hands. All state me have, you know. And a guy called this all state.
Ask this boy why am I beat out your triplexy.
Oh.
What?
Oh no! That's right. Whatever.
Tony, you not come that way.
Nah, farm up much and buy that every other
Oh my god.
Brady, you go buy farm up mats and buy scar, you know. I go look some killer thing there. Kill 2 people and then
Well,
run.
everybody there.
Oh, and the song move from this, I've never realized so now.
Long time.
I'm trying to proper
I see exactly what I want there. Youtubical, come for this.
My fault.
Oh, you're not the near me. Alright then.
Yeah, man, me the right foot, me the right neck. That's your family.
Youtubical even know how.
Where's that? You gonna say I got dead post?
Why, Trimmy can only either dead first or dead last. Trimmy doesn't die second or third, bro.
Let me set you minute second. Another game, yeah.
This is me no bonfire for your
I
dead
just-
second, you know. This is me no second dead in your right to say, you know. No second dead in your right to say, yeah, bonfire for that. Don't come mix up Rasta in your banger and second thing argument. Only see Youtubical. Selassie, bonfire for you. But you come mix up Rasta man in a second argument. I want to hear, girl. Mine, you know. Mine lightning and thunder strike, you know. Bonfire, you know. Selassie, man. Rastafari.
Last time I texted
really
you, didn't have any locks.
Yo, listen me now. Yo, listen me now. Listen me now, man.
Yo,
Listen.
me a gunshot of fire from north, you know.
Oh, you just hear them.
Here.
Sniper shot. I just need new headphones.
Hey, sir, charge me a fella. No wanna charge me a fella, you know.
Your makeshift mic at work.
The mic I work, yes? Not like how it sound when me recording them, I play back there.
Yo, Youtubical, where you find them brother where all this I do video with?
What you mean, like the Jamaican YouTuber them?
Yeah.
You go on YouTube and you type in Fortnite Jamaican and you see some people pop up and you start watching them. And over time, you realize that they actually have potential and you start watching them too.
Over time. pay for that.
That was your mistake. Oi. Hey. Oh, come on, dude.
Oh, God.
A foolishness, man. This a foolishness. Me build how much wall.
You see my right or one?
Want a wall, me build a
Look at them
wall
over
ago.
there, Pong.
Two of them, I watch him. And he look like
Remember
one
your
next brother. No, one next brother they from way
Bomba!
over there.
Watch all of them, watch him. Watch him at your phone pick up him friend. Ah, kid. Watch him at your phone pick up him friend.
Somebody come pick.
Watch out, brother. Before him pick, you idiot. Send him home.
Oh,
Kid.
snipe from far out.
Who killer? I don't one of them killer.
Who's here?
No,
I'm
next
never
team.
wrong.
It's our next team.
Mm.
It's our next team.
Never wrong. Yeah?
Just get the blue between.
My first bit not gonna to me first bit. Never wrong.
My name is Uri.
The man treat me as a trick.
Watch out, brother. With him scared. Watch him. No. Yo, I better say him I did the worst way. Watch him I did the worst way. Oh, him get killed. Where him get one kill from?
Don't worry about that, man. I'm stunning in the youth.
The boy over there spawned it. You know the boy over there I cam the drop. No.
I kept the drop.
No, Tony, at first. You reach an all-time low.
Milan, I'm the same man next to me. So we have a pickaxe fight, but we will never dare come out to some me. Go in there, salty. And Avenger.
Puru. What?
One go dead, I'll try to catch it.
Yo, with that glider is still in him, I'm telling you, a glider look like a serious glider still.
No, it does not.
See all people are sniper off fire. See all that me I show you?
Have they sneezing?
They see it.
Tony, me think you're got salty, Tony.
What are you doing?
I want to salty, Tony. See the man down there, sir? Watch Tony, watch out. Tony, why you rush a shot them? See the man there now. What? Yo! Oh, that pass him! That look like it passed him!
Look like you passed him.
Tony, to your right, yeah, shoot the man to the right, sir.
Let him.
To behind the big tree, Tony, start the man behind the big tree, no?
We never see. Where there? Which tree?
Right there, sir. Where the loot there, right in front there where the loot there, somewhere there, sir. Jesus Christ, Tony, you need to turn on your sensitivity. Cause the man them see you now, watch a whop. Don't shoot about your head, you know. Don't shoot about your head. Build again, build a next wall. Build a next wall, go up now.
To me.
No, cause I know you would have shoot about your head and make the man back there, you know. Go closer now, Tony, make them take up the loot and go closer now. Yo, Uche, you see me tell you about Tony and the long run thing. You see me I show you now. Him could have run down towards the man straight, you know, but him run the longest way and now people are shoot him. And the man them behind you now, watch him get back now. Dead.
Bop.
Yo, me tell you say I'm gonna dead the worst way. Yo. Yo, you see when him step off of the man, all him have to do now, push the two man and me have to cut the loot, you know. Him run, go down and go round and come back round. Yo, I say make me did other day, you know, all the man did have to do a run come raise me, you know, the man run, go round a wall, go round a different wall, build a wall, jump over, and then him a say, yo, him could pick me.
The man can't take shortcut through.
Yo, it's like the man born to take the hard road. I swear. Yo, but a two of them. So hold on. You rather fight two of them or four of them? Which one you rather?
No, but man, what me there is that is I just the two of them. Never they expect the more people.
But then you say let's rush the two of them when they take up the loot and you would have the high ground. Why you have to go around this up?
Listen, you realize the man did still shoot after one day?
Yo, Tony, aggression,
How
Tony,
the
aggression.
man find me, you know, the brother, what did go way around and where go camp and I hide in a bush.
Why?
It no matter, but you shouldn't end up running away with the man.
Listen, man.
Or you end up running away with the
You know
man.
what would happen if me did push up? No, listen, pre-sensitive. What would happen if you push up this, sir? The same man with the over the bush would have push back to this, sir.
Tony, I mean I say, if you knock one, or you knock two.
No, brother, not one. It's a different team.
Are the same team? No. You see the brother where you knock? Hold on, listen. You see the brother where you knock? Me not ask because me expect you. You see the brother where you knock? The team will kill you, kill them. Alright. But I'm saying, you see the two man will kill the brother where you knock and feel him friend, you should have pushed them because there only two of them alone there. The next two come up after. You don't realize that? They come like it every. You alright, so me again. Uno got greasy. Go greasy.
A long time, me have to how that going on, brother. You know, tell me
Greasy. Yo, I say you should have pushed them two man there. As you see them, when me tell you to build up the next wall, it's a different team that, cause of them kill the brother where you knock, the other brother, the brother where you knock teammate. That's why me I say to push them, cause of the two of them alone, the other two come after.
Got two teams running, you know.
Really? Bomba! Alright. Never mind. Sorry, game. I never that thought. No, I never did mean nothing by that really there. I just joke me that make. You take the gun where you give me.
One hour that up, they push.
Oh man, I run up from your house.
Stop, you're not gonna make me dead for the next week.
Oh man, I two of them, man, what the hell? Yo, kill me, man. This. I never flip in two of them.
Don't go in there. Ucha. Fall back.
Knock.
Next on the Panther Pyro.
In one shot. Lexi, you can't do that, Lexi. One more come, one more.
Yo, no man. John was star. Tony, a three of them. Oh. Yo, John was star. Yo. John was star. Oh boy. And that's why, you know. And that's why I'm dead stupid this so.
No, not about why they say forget about why you say.
I know star.
Why are you doing that? Eh, what does that do for you?
Tomorrow early.
Jesus, Lexi.
The Black Knight. The Black Knight, I did one Red Knight, so the whole line red rubber.
Peekaboo.
Where we are going?
Alright.
Pleasant. Long time, we're not gonna say.
I've only win 2 games so far. We need to win more.
Actually, come down now, because it's fast. Not play a Javian.
Show me. Show me.
Javian sort of all up.
Where do I know?
Let's see.
Why them people are still try gliding with those here?
Show me, I'm running.
Where you run for?
I'm there in my house.
So, why you me a call? Why you not call when I'm man inside there over there? So, yo, listen to me, you're not going to put me in a problem, yo. You're not going to put me in a problem here. Alright. So why this brother, this brother left the whole of Pleasant Park to come over here so which for me there? Why? More know why?
That's so safe.
The man
That's so safe.
Yo, the man run left the whole of Pleasant. Yo. Yo, nah, man, the chest safe, man. You know worry about the chest, man. Just go on.
I know anti-chest. Get a weapon.
Yeah, man.
Never dual pistol and a green air. Wow.
Where's Tony? GM, tell me Tony. Where's Tony? Come on. Hold on, wait. Why me can't see Tony? Leave it Tony
people
name,
there. People there for you? Yeah, people there. I see them come.
Yeah, what we got people there? See them there come there?
Downstairs,
Yes,
check
yes,
downstairs. Downstairs, green area downstairs.
No, I'm not green air, man. I didn't see them on dual pistol.
Upstairs, I need it. Alright, the one pan, Uche, the one up flank on your left, him now on the shield. Oh, Uche, one up on your roof.
Oh!
Knock.
One shot.
Yeah. Trini need help. Down one. One more push up there now. So me thief one at Trini kill Trini thief. Thief the other one. Fair trade. Oh, him think the seeker.
Where?
But drop it on the way across. I know that rough money is I want to know if alone you have a try line up the man.
Yes, and the way across.
Let's see. Thank you.
And this is some blue in the
Let it go. Look at it. Look. No.
Wait, a purple one over here, so you can complete this. This one roll it forward.
No man,
Let
you
it go.
you only need one and a eagle. Only need one
Let's
eagle
see.
and SMG.
Stop.
Alright.
Uche, I met you on the soccer field.
I have to make it. Thank you.
I never empty space, we can grab it. Hold on, we had a thing there when I saw it.
People on me.
What?
People on me, the host there. Cheers.
Yeah, I see them. Wanna come from far out. You knock him?
No, man.
They're right now.
Wait a minute, Keep him, man. Keep the kill.
Come back, game lock, man. Come on, man.
Shit. Just again, eh?
Nice.
There's one in the house. Two more in the house. One of them are wearing skin like
killing, please. See that Uche?
One shot. One shot.
Send him over here.
I can't marry him, man. What is it?
Jimmy got this man and not to worry about that, yo.
Come on, I receive that message.
Man, them take my guns, sir. See the door is a gun there. Now, Uche tell you one little kill mode I get.
You know I'm doing wrong one.
Take my kill?
That's at least.
Don't put the chop on the man, run up in there, chop in there. Man, broke the fist. Right, come my turn for dead down there. I know.
Need a med kit? Anybody need a med kit?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You know I need ammo.
You need some sniper ammo.
See a mini air pump. Drink the mini and then you take the slurp. You have ammo can spare? So tell me, why you not doing it?
I left, you know, I left the gun left it on the floor for somebody take it. Lady, drink the shield.
Nobody have no ammo?
See some match to say no. Come, collect the match on the tree. Up on the stairs.
You gotta carry them, man.
Ammo for what? Ammo for what?
AR.
Some more material.
Hold
You
this.
need some sniper ammo.
No, go more material. Turn on. Right. Left. Go in front of the horse.
Yo, see material right there, so I'm stand up, right? I'm stand up. But only 9, only 9 board.
Go buy a vending machine and go buy the heavy there. Go buy the heavy sniper. I steal it need though, steal it need.
No, me already
Go buy a deagle. You what?
Where's Mr. Buy?
Heavy sniper.
You have a sniper
Oh, let's see them.
See 94 board up the same.
Hey man, collect the metal. Oh, shooting off circle again, nice.
Man, what? Yo, who want the LMG? Yeah? I don't need it. Ne? Now I'm not even have no. Like,
Punk, game share
Anybody
me
have
some of your
sniper?
play for you.
Huh?
oh, me have 47.
Game share me some of your
How the
play.
hell me have 47 shield?
Game serious so you can play Jimmy.
Yeah, so you can take control of somebody's game. Don't you know enough to do?
Why not just let me dead then?
But this is the login in the high.
I know some trash in not Jimmy, but oh god my you. Game share
Chimmy? What?
Jimmy?
in
What Jimmy do?
Tony.
No, I'm not saying trash, but I play more play. Yeah, man, it don't look like I'm not dead no time soon.
Come.
Yeah, man, it's cool.
Okay, sorry. Come.
Yeah, Michael, you have time me son. Why me allowed?
Bushing for me.
Come, baby, come. Come. Come here. Come. 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 Alright, mommy's right here. Mommy's right here. Alright, baby. I know. Mommy's right here. You gonna leave?
Jimmy, I cut a pick
Which way you go? Go door. Okay. Alright, baby. Mommy is here.
You wanna forward?
Ow! Oh, shit. The mommy's in for you.
Nice shot.
Gotta get me food for you.
Bushman is here.
Mommy don't have much.
Yes, yeah, them time the satellite move in a position, Kejan. Signal just a come in. Present again. Oh, you make go that way.
Better than what come that direction, I'm gonna laser me down first to make everybody else know to them there. Then now go shoot after nobody else.
See, the man
Nothing
is
much
already.
love.
The man is already that burger. Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, hold on. The man there, Jimmy, the man them the south.
I see them. I see them. I shoot them.
On top of the hill.
The two hill them. Wanna just follow me? Hey, wanna need to follow me now? What you eat that?
I'm trash. And the trash is snipe that never see after a man build and move how long you snipe. I know you must sniper, so I can't you. Punk, you never say you have a sniper.
I don't have a sniper.
I
have a Scar, a Deagle, and dual pistol.
They're going to show me.
Them jump down, you know, Jimmy.
Jump down which far? Mount a gunshot them over there
On the
again.
side.
The amount of gunshot them over there. You know worry about the jump of them jump down. Just worry about the gunshot with them just pick up a while ago. That you for worry
You can
about.
ask for my purple gun, you know.
Your
Never
purple
buy
gun?
one.
Which purple gun?
Yeah, no, ask for one.
Nah man, keep it man. Never know you have one.
I want full squad going over on the hill.
Why them a go up on the hill you know? Me shoot off 2 of them shield you know. Yeah man, it move. Yo, yeah deal Keshan. How the school thing a go on? Really why the storm have to take them? Come on, one shot you know. Give me that. Matter of fact too. Me give up that. Can't get it back.
Oh yeah, listen.
Easy.
5 picker.
Me give up that cause I don't want one shot. Me rather give up that.
You can't forward me a 3 med kit.
Oh you have 3? Alright then me take one of them then instead.
Some more mushroom over this one.
One out here.
My info.
good.
That
Oh,
be
yeah,
there
no,
my
no.
info. On a bull stream this unroll the chip. Alright, we have the circle yes or no. So we
Hey,
just
unruly.
I don't like how you say that one day, you know. I don't like how you say, yo, I'm telling you, you know, listen to people. I'm gonna stop inside violence in my stream. You know, but I come talk to no man in my stream in them tone of voice there. Alright. Make sure your voice deep and rough. Cool. That me I show you.
Don't kill me.
See, just like how me nah witness nobody when them granny and them mother kill them. Me nah want a man come ask me, yo, Trimmy, what kind of thing that? Alright, I'm tired of telling you, you know. Stop trying to set me up. And what them be there? Not even know which part them there. Cause them did go up on all hill lane. How them go now? I don't even know if them still over there, so. Or if we go in there, 3 them go
I
hide.
get killed with chop.
People, somebody just dead?
When I fight, I got them. Somebody just two people get knocked up for one get knocked with chop.
At that me I try. Are they on the other side of the hill over there, so where the gas station there? No, but gas station out. Them man they up where they up just up on the hill when me that shooting. I think them. Alright,
Oh,
hear them they know.
in a blizzard.
See they know.
I just 2 people there, so. One brother takes all of me. Timothy, to your right.
Yeah, me see. People to the right, Uchiya. I know Uchiya that.
No, them brother, them still up. Focus on one pushing them.
Nah man, them have to. Watch out, brother.
Take it and so on. Take a shot, man. Okay, yeah.
You think I did safe run as well?
Fill a wall in some places.
Where am they?
3v2.
One day where them are shoot up over. The other one there. Jimmy run straight. Nice win.
Be careful to me.
No! Well played. Double barrel, means I'm a reload now.
Yeah. Yo, no man, I'm kill that one man. Load that one man. Load that one man. Nobody kill that one. Youtubical, don't kill him now. Low him man. It's a double barrel fight this. Low him man. Back up, back up, back up, back up Youtubical. Back up.
Make him kill me, make him kill me, make him kill me.
Nah man, him not kill nobody else man. Come here. What a game now, Bill man?
See me I kill Tubical. I'm running up behind Tubical.
See him rocket thing. See him rocket thing. See me better kill him man. Come back. Show a tumbo.
That's a good one, man. She never did what throughout the whole game.
Show a tumbo.
How did you want to dead? Wow. You just have to dead that game, yeah? You wouldn't feel good if you never dead.
What?
What? If you're not, yo, you remember say you did already that game, I'm gonna pick you up, you know.
What time? I cut. Like this, you know.
Yo, listen me now.
Yo.
Unroll the chip. Listen me now, man. Listen me now, boss. Listen me now. Go on Uchi's stream, go do them thing there. Listen me now, people. When you don't want to do them thing, you know, tell myself a pause the stream, you know, because I can cut the stream, you know. You could have a little discussion, you know. We don't want to have them discussion there, you know. Youtubical cut? Alright, Youtubical cut.
Yeah,
Bull there. Alright. Yeah, bull say I'm ready. Seeing. Yo, Tony, you have to kick him. You have to kick Youtubical.
Can't let him have to kick me, you know.
Oh no, I think I lag out. I think I lag him lag out. That's why I say if you kick him, I never know it's still there.
Come on.
Yo, I think I lag him. Yo, I think the man say back out, you know, I think him do just lock off the game and him still not, him not back out of the game. So that's why I tell you if you kick him. Yo. But hear me I say, all this now, school good enough, but too much homework, you do your homework, you don't end up like image kid, yeah? I tell you, Jamaica end up like one of them places where, yo, if you're not in a sense hungry, I can deal with that, oh yeah. Yeah?
Right now, boy.
Hey, back to that Uchiha situation, hear me I say, no, G. We need to find some more girl gamer when I'm married, you know. Phone can talk to them with, you know, car. We can't have them thing there in the street, my lad. Them, you notice when time I talk to her, my voice deep and soul. Because I don't want to tell you, me I talk to him, girl too sweet, you know. So I just, yeah. Tony, easy na Tony. Behave na Tony. Tony. Behave Tony. Behave. Matter of fact,
Yo, the facial
as
expression.
you see that, you know what me like? You know who me like? Do it with? Where she there? Yes, man. Alright, watch this now. I do it in a so. Watch it. Watch it.
This. No, pre-R face. I want to only character them with all the expression them show. Yeah, she too. Which year? No, Ashley.
Alright, Jenna. Yo, peeps, don't forget to leave a like on the stream, you know.
Jimmy, pre-R face what I should do.
No, that one I do it too.
Good. Because. Bull is in Jimmy see because bull.
Yeah, me see it, man.
Me see it, man.
And then the man go from tickers to that. I saw the tickers them look underneath. Yo, we say back to the tickers. John Star. Yo, that one the traumatizing still, me nah lie.
I say tickers chicken.
Yo.
You invite him to the party chat yet? I recommend him, but you know invite him. You know say it approval.
Yo, Chimmy.
Yes.
I leave out soon, yeah?
See, so me I talk about unroll the chip. You notice when she talk to me or I work voice deep. Cause I saw she talk to me. She now gonna come talk to me in a sweet voice, make the man in an argument with me, you know. Can't accept that. Can't accept that. Me no want the man go contact YouTube and make them know say yo, I'm emotionally discharged because of my channel. I can't afford that. Alright, ready now. Sweet now. You know what? A long time I don't use a girl, you know. I use her. Which backpack me I put on? The wing. The wing? No, the wing. Yeah, the wing. Alright.
Brother, I go and dance and do that. Now, this is how people say I look for me, but do it.
No, just make sure you video it when you do it. Can't do them things there in a video, my lad.
Somebody must be dead.
So I miss the drum gun. I know.
Drum gun was big.
I know, right?
Hold on, my phone I did not go to the charger. I'm gonna try.
Can I have some? I'm a bit that you put on our clothes.
Yo, you know what the worst thing about that game? The worst thing with them do? Them come up with a meta. Them say them a change the meta from shotgun. And then put in a bag of SMG. Alright, then fine. Then them come out with the double barrel shotgun.
A joke thing. Which part we go?
Then the man them come out with the double barrel shotgun and bring it back to a build close fight game. Cause you can't use a double shotgun at range. No. And then them take out back the jump gun. 1x. Me I wonder 1x. Me tell you, them people are coming like woman here. Them just 1 minute them want this and then the next minute them want something totally different. Right, Uchiya?
Right.
See it? No one ever lie me I tell. Bull, no boy, alright, good.
Yeah man, me there man. Me in a game chat for a good while.
Yes man.
People over there.
Oh really? That me fine?
Yo, whenever you go up on that software, then me tell you how to do it, yeah?
Alright.
You want to do it when you're offline or
no, we can do it a little more man. Me in a rush.
Ah, cool.
Cause the one where you did talk about now, that one me did see first, you know, cause remember me did tell them know how to do it. And I see it, you know, me did think say I did that. That's all they have to do.
No, man.
But
Not
them realize say yo, it more than that.
Yeah, man, more than that, man.
It more than that.
Yeah.
How far I forgot? Of course, Tony have to be difficult and go get on this. Alright.
I'm an AFK, what do you expect?
Oh yeah, AFK. Oh. Uche, alright over there, my friend?
Yeah.
Bull coming in on the left chest? Oh, you mean, Bull?
Oh, sir.
Why not? Don't worry, me, I go find the chest for you, my friend.
No, man, you can't keep that one. I just doing this some searching and blow out the place.
Oh, you come over here? Who come over here, sir? Are you?
Across the road from this, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, me then if yeah, man.
Yo, I don't know what going with YouTube and them notification thing in a cause. No notifications now go out. I mean I get a
Them here people
notification.
are
I
talk
only get
same
some
thing.
notifications.
Yep.
Yeah, here everybody are complaining about it. Good while now
I
too.
would have thought Bulls.
Yeah man,
No,
what on?
I'm twin brother.
It's so
Brother.
different.
Sound different?
Yeah.
How different?
Like something stuck in your throat
Yes,
or
very
your
funny.
No,
Yo,
teeth.
where are dealing?
why? Burn up. No man, burn up.
Why you have to think them with it?
Yo, I be
What
at
do you
them talk the
mean?
shot off from day now.
What do you
I
mean?
be at them talk the shot off from day, man. Yeah, man. Burn up them
Alright.
talk, the man.
No man, burn up
Be at
though,
them
burn
talk
up.
the shot. Yo, I be at them talk the shot off from day, bull.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
I
me have to
What's up?
make sure you know, say, yo,
Yeah.
Jarastafari, Selassie, fire,
Yeah
lightning
man.
and thunder.
Fire.
105.
Well, on, so who loot that building here? Nobody. Alright, then me loot it then.
I always mix 7 ounces.
Me have a big shield. A mini. Oh, see a chug jug here, bull.
Big shield.
Come for
Ah,
a
me I
chug
need
jug here.
that. I need that.
Tony, come for your big
Cool,
shield
me
and
I
bull
fall.
come for your chug jug.
Let me see you get out.
Yeah man, me I fall shit right now.
Fight them. There's something.
I tell the man to come for the big. I now about to get the big shield. Because where mash up my crate for? Give me back my 50 board.
Brother, you Kippy.
Come for this, man.
Kira. Kippy.
I say
Kippy.
Kippy.
Yo, I call the man for a big shield, you know. And the man come and mash up the crate them.
You can't make it anyways. See them dead to make quality, you know.
Oh, what?
No, that girl is ugly. That girl is ugly. Sorry.
Yeah, girl, ugly man.
No, she not. Yo, look on this. Look on this. You watch the stream, Uchi? You watch the stream? Stand up, listen. Don't move in. Don't move in. Don't move in. Stand up where there. Look here now.
Watch it there.
Look here now. Watch this now. Watch it.
I really not yes.
Yo, if them did have bubble like soap in this, man, I tell you, she don't have bubble like soap.
I need to go put on the screen. I thought, when did that test reach up there? What the hell?
So one next one, no? One next one.
They said, you want next
I
one?
fix the coil and put it on back.
They said, you want next one? Give yourself, man.
Daddy soon come back.
Wait, man, I collect the weeknight banner over there, son.
Yo, you remember last game this year?
You know, no complete weeknight challenges?
Mm-hmm. Yo, you know, I can't tell you last me do a challenge still. On a big man levels, I can't tell you last time I do one. I'm interested in them something.
You know where bet Tony?
Yeah. Right there, so mobile up.
Where?
When I come down there, I get to somewhere that I built up. It's right there.
Yo, I when the Blockbuster skin a come out.
Hold on, they never hear Tony. Which
What
one?
the Blockbuster skin?
Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs, this one, go up the stairs. The Blockbuster skin of the
Oh,
the one
cool.
with the cockroach. The cockroach.
Him the Blockbuster skin?
Yeah.
Yo, them need to fix that skin there now, I swear.
Fix man.
It's fixed now?
Yeah.
I never want to fix it still. The cockroach is kind of shell.
Yo, the man I run and the man look
I say
like a cockroach side.
Uchi, I don't come in there.
I can realize it come.
You never realize. Oh.
No, sir.
How far bull them gone now?
Bull, you want a blueberries?
No.
Alright, if one don't want a blueberries, let me know.
Uchi, where you go?
I look the apple.
One 360 mechanical one such a gun. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Where the video come from? What's that? Where them I go? Hey. Hello.
Couldn't record this fighting.
Oh,
yo, that funny. That funny, you know.
So with me, you know.
Oh, bull dead. Bull dead. Yo, bull dead. Yo, that we are. Uchi, that we are here.
Stay one of them, man. Stay one of there.
Oh,
They're alive.
Them are following, man. Lead them to it.
Yeah, man. Them forward, man.
Come here like a cabin, I just swoop in a cabin one time. Put on a shot.
How where them go? You know, I think them go back over there, so though.
No, them over. Yeah. See
them going back over there. Alright, forward. Go east. Move east.
Easter egg? Wait, I put it over there. Oh, them are coming. They're behind away.
Behind away?
Yeah.
Yeah, just go and move back. Come out of the field, cause if you jump, you'll be an easy target. See? They must shoot off a Ucha. Cause them brother home did shoot over here saying them low enough.
Ooh, man, a snip. Why you snipping, sir? It's rude to snip. I will kill him.
See somebody there.
Yeah, man, I know. Knock him.
Nice.
Finish him there.
Okay, after.
Right.
This mad man.
Remember the other team, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, come on. Now put on that message.
Oh, what?
My girl, just let it go.
What? I'm scared.
My friend, I mean, I'm scared.
Other team, they on the hill. Other team, they on the hill.
Which hill?
South, west. See them?
What's up?
See them over there, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see them. No, bull.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I see them. Go on.
Alright.
I'm gonna
go up on the hill, you know. Hill, them a try go up on. Come down now.
Yo, if them... Him not gonna take fall damage, Tony.
No, man,
Yes, man. I'm gonna go and spam him, man. Yes, man. You have to make sure saying don't go out there.
Tony, I got there.
Come on.
I'm gonna see that, yeah.
Yeah, them man, look properly.
Move the Ucha.
I know, start.
Them run, man.
Run like a thief.
And jump pad up here, so.
Oh.
Oh, up here,
Yeah, man, come put him on jump pad.
I ain't put on that?
I'm guessing. So somebody
see one they cross this, you know, not 15, you know.
Shit, man.
When I go over there?
Of course.
Snipe.
No, me I go past them, you know. Me not go wish for them, I go past them. Oh, they might use a reef. Go in a reef.
Yeah.
Just drop straight in a reef.
What you afraid of try road?
Nope.
One they miss.
Run out of time.
Yo, follow me. Uche, follow me.
He missed too.
Oh, if you miss, who in the ear?
Yo, man, them there up on top.
Yo, them there above.
Yo.
Ucha, them there above you. Above you.
Nah?
Yes, man.
One more there up on the old top.
Yeah.
Behind? Who the... Somebody shoot me from behind.
Yeah. One more up there. So them split up. Watch
Somebody
yourself.
shoot from behind, bull. Watch out.
Yeah, I said them split. Me know.
One innocent
You mean that,
Ucha.
Jimmy?
Of course.
Nice.
One a snipe.
Man, still there, sir. No tell say better behind that boy, you know.
I don't meme snipe. Tell you something, I know already. I don't meme snipe.
Meme snipe.
How am I?
Look like him there over the south.
Him there which part where I
side.
come from? Just scary over here, say no.
You see people are going north up on top of the hill.
Alright.
But I just snipe up here, cousin.
Yo, Tony me have minis here. Who else need minis? Nobody?
Why them put so much star in that game?
No, we have only
It's on
families, you know.
Where you know?
What's that?
Man, lock it out.
Tony.
Everybody good for AR ammo?
So the man them behind me, you know.
Yeah.
See me I come?
Peter from the job.
Alright, come.
Yeah.
Farmer come to you, to take it.
I usually shoot me down. Think me that left here. Sorry. See I scared, nobody want to scare there. Everybody have scared already?
Like everybody have.
Yo, go up on a little hill. Well, never mind. Push it in a circle.
Yo, one man they down on the ground, you know. Not 15:30. Alright.
Yo, behind. Behind.
You see?
Oh, that one there. Alright, that now.
The knocking.
Left.
Oh,
Behind
control.
that
Man as man.
Okay.
Licking Tony for 6.
Alright.
I'm a snipe
And with
from.
other people are snipe up coming.
Yeah. Oh, rocket. Shoot. Watch that, you know.
People are push from now.
I'm cut. Oh, I'm gone and I stop.
Him gone nice storm, it look like. Him gone below the hill.
I kill him.
You kill him? Oh.
Okay.
Tony, me have band-aid and me have thing there for you.
Which somebody to
Me
the
have
apple
minis
then
and
now?
band-aid again.
Hey, relax.
How much take of that?
What am I having here, sir?
Jimmy, have you enough help to go in there? Wait for him. Brother, drop the bandages now.
Hold on.
I'll have
The
to find
storm
out.
is
See the anybody have any rocket ammo?
Brother,
See
3
that?
bandages can't help me. Take up.
A 3 bandage me
Yo,
take up.
man.
3 bandage me take up.
Them above it. One above it.
Oh, Lord.
Shoot.
Two of them. Ma pick up him friend. Here to me, ma pick up him friend. Nice sound. Remember you have the launch pad here to me?
I don't have that. Hold on. I don't have that. I use that. That's why I come out of the storm.
Oh.
That no star. Yo, Shahid Wilson, where you dealing? Respect for passing through the stream, you know. That no star. One bag of rubbish them, you know. One bag of all them do run up and down and jump. Why them never push you earlier? Why them have to wait till the circle move for push?
Yeah, that me I wonder too.
Idiot
Real.
them. Watch
Alright,
it. None of them
later
not on a
guys.
shield. All of them are one shot.
Yeah,
All
man,
of
come
them are
here.
one shot.
Alright.
The whole of them together,
Come
bull,
on.
not even equal 100 HP.
I'm surprised because that me I say no. Them same one rush
The,
you late, no.
the whole of them together not even equal 100 HP. You know why them gonna win that game? Because the brother can't play. That's the only reason why them gonna win. Because 3v1. 3 people, and all 3 of them still not equal 100 HP.
Ah, shoot. Wait, what?
You
The game
still, yes.
glitch out, yo.
Eh?
No, the game glitch out, wickedly. Man,
Oh.
like week 10 wallpaper.
What?
And could you give me some free gun or
Unlock
something?
in,
But
so
I
what
say
I say, unlock in 10 hours.
unlock in 10. Exactly.
Yeah,
Week
10
10
and a
challenge
half
is not
hours.
started. But me just get the week 10 wall. Let's screenshot it, show you.
Bull, you have to go leave.
Yo.
You have to go leave.
Yeah, everybody
Because,
has to leave. The game
yeah,
is really cool.
Yeah.
Tony
Yeah, man.
there.
Oh.
Yo, Shahid, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, you know. And turn on notifications. I have a few blackout code to give away to, you know.
Yo, man, I need one.
You know, have
And
none.
this weekend if I done. No, brother, no. Ah. I'm curious, man. Well, curious.
Yeah, more
And
to
next
see it.
season I got directly
Tell
in
Bull
line
to
with
accept my
Halloween.
friend request. Bull, a man say,
Eh?
Shahid, I say, if
Send me,
accept
send me
him
a
friend
next
request, you
invite.
know.
Friend request? Hold on
Yeah.
there, hold on. So I'll go on.
Can't stand the game
Ask him what the
mobile.
game tag. Come here, I see a bag of people right here, so.
Shahid, why you game attack?
16 requests me have.
A little bit that, man.
No, me they have a lot. Me make sure accept some of them, but I don't really remember some of them what me I see right now, so I just leave them till me know who.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get 3 different error messages while. Part
People
2 join is
them
not
want back them
currently
wallpaper.
accepting request.
Them want back them wallpaper, Tony.
What?
People them want back them
I was
wallpaper or they
the
mistakenly give.
Alright, so it name Dark Reflection and the tagline say I was looking at someone but it wasn't me. Yeah man, I love them. I love Fortnite. Love them, man. But I foolish them put me through them finally. I said
Them
it's you.
wallpaper, no man.
Yo, if now come on tomorrow and I see something more bad, I'm gonna send them a strong email, dog. None of my fault. The
Me
game
knew.
glitch.
Me no new. Saeed, why your game attack? I the one we say, that Shavi 3, boy, I that one there?
Can't believe some lose a game there. Cause the boy must spam me no, man. You know.
Brother, I'm gonna get connection sign out and I'm gonna see you do a crab walk. Your crab walk got all the way in a loot lately for
Oh.
See me? I'm gonna get the connection sign, man just start crab walk.
Oh man.
Yo, a silent scar they do. I like it. I like it. I might have
Brother,
an
it's
AR like.
OP. You see, once you get your shots them on target, brother, and you know it have the aim assist on it. So if you move, it'll follow him. Brother, the gun too much.
You have to time it right though. Yeah, your first shot accuracy is a timing. You have to top. Yeah, you have to.
You can't just hold it. And like the scar with the broom, we help you sometimes. You have actually precise
Okay.
aiming.
Yeah, you can't just hold it down. That's why it tell you in the description, you know, say patience, you know, and timing.
If you just hold on the trigger and point it towards the person, none of them not going to hit. Any east, any west, you mean?
Yo, you know, say why people do that? That tank the bus driver bullshit there.
Good question. Because you can. Because you can. See if you go book up in one of your bridging them name. Try if you kill him. Is that it? What me see right now, them best make it easier for people know if them they're in the same lobby.
Well, not necessarily, you know, cause remember streamer mode, you know. Most of the big streamer them play streamer mode, you know. Is a few of them don't play streamer mode. Like they wanna play streamer mode.
The good one them they played.
Ninja play with streamer mode though. Believe it or not, Nikkei play with streamer mode. Give me a good gun. Give me a hunting rifle star. Bull not chasing bull. Bull him a come.
So him run and then come back. Me never ever see him.
I know, me not even know about that go down there. If me have an AR or something else.
I two of them over.
You see what me I tell you? See what me I tell you? See what me I tell you about that game, yeah? You know, star. Yo.
Might as well let the Guffy man done to rotted.
96 headshot, 92 headshot.
Brother,
my son of
what you know? What's up?
That game, yeah.
Where you do that? What's up? Oh, you missed all of them there?
Look here, the man stand up, yes sir. I'm headshot him through that and a 92 alone.
You see it, man.
You want PK now? You better hurry up and kill him, you know. That me I tell you. So stay there, him can see a pickaxe, you know.
Him nasty, man.
Oh, you mean him nasty, yo? Just wait till him teammate them. Wait till him teammate them come. Come on, know why not?
Pickaxe well blue.
Tony, put away that, no Tony. Tony, what you do, Tony? Use the AR, no? Don't peek that, you know. Cause you're there if you peek that, you know.
Yes, your pickaxe.
Bob.
Hey, I shot him though. Madam, 739.
Yes, you shot him though. Alright, sir.
I shot him though. Brother, look, you see the life, the amount of thing that HP me there for a little while.
Yeah, it was like when the man shot you, HP just dropped. I know. Kevin too crazy. Yo, the man have 60K pan a video, views pan a video.
Yep. Yeah, enough views, man. In channel the half as good. In gaming channel the half as good. There's a difference on them up to gaming. Question: if you have multiple channels and the multiple channels meet the requirements, I get paid for each, right?
Yeah. Of course.
But them with a thief if they never do that.
Yo, all them people have 10,000 people and 5,000 people watch them. Yo, Jano. Yo. Man like Nikkei 30. Yo, the man have 3 million
Easier
subs,
when
you
you
know?
stream to Facebook, you know.
Huh?
Honestly, it's easier when you can stream to Facebook, it's much easier. You can play for the one stream where you do, you can play $2 and each all 15,000. So them promote. Look better more when I watch videos when I have nothing to do with Fortnite and all 6 different game Fortnite streams are come up in the video list.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, go. Me pick last game, you know. One on the pick there.
Pick so, you thought
Suicide.
or retail or
Free time, but they have to button, could bother. They're too far, can't bother with one bugger gliding.
You know, so I'm not see nobody yet. People might there
nobody
about
neither.
me. I don't see nobody yet. One on the shoot?
No, eh.
Alright then. Well, see if we can get some minis out of this. Oh, alright. Yo, a big shield in the roof of that house at Bull. Or me there in the dog house side of the basketball court.
Ah, me a forward.
Alright, let's figure out this stuff here.
Got 105?
No.
No, you know.
Alright, now fight. Me I go fight.
What we there with them there?
Them there over. That's right in front there. Right in front there, Tony. Right in front there.
I'm pick out the hunting up there. You got something, yeah.
Them there. Hello. What's that? Him up there. Him up there. Him up there. One him up there. My grenade that.
I'm gonna get a big shield over here, so.
No man, easy with the grenade. Yes, sir. Where next one?
A big shield.
I two down in here, say no.
Yeah, me down one in there now.
Okay, yeah, sniper coming.
You really feel it out kill me.
Oh, him above, above.
I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Sorry, not Merry Christmas. Boy, I come shoot people with AR. Right.
Ah, Trim, you want a rocket RPG? Me have 6 rocket speed plus the one in there.
RPG.
Yeah, I really want it.
Alright, which one you said the alpha shield there now?
Right now, eat me, I go for.
Oh, you have to go use it. You have to go use it anyway.
That me I show you, I eat me, I go for.
Yeah. Get one still.
Give me that shotgun.
Where the last one they come from, bro? Him go waste the money by scorpion skin and it now give him a stream of perks.
But that irritate, they need to make an actual scorpion thing. They might have come back scorpion. That me want. That me that show the two things.
But me not see where the big fuss. Everybody thought about, oh, it looks sick. No.
No, it does not. It looks like trash.
It look like a close a bleach out. That it look like.
Look like trash.
Oh, they make them take out the swing them out of the game now, so you can't even use the swing them no more. That's stupid.
They never sell no prayer but it did fun.
Yeah, you would just go on it and mess around. Oh, no Tony, no Tony, no Tony, no. I'm see it for you now.
Oh, you see before me night now come for how long?
Tony. Better me shot you with it, Tony. Better. Tony.
Bet.
Tony.
Where you wrong? Bet no? Bet. Look at that picture and shoot, man. No. What color vending machine the boat? See, breezy. A whole end bush, you know? Those things are so awesome. Test it out, man. Test it out. Make sure you say it next week.
Oh, Fad, I could go race track now.
Oh.
Yo, all the chats are quiet. Everybody in the stream and the stream just so quiet.
You start stream early, man, so people like it late.
Can't do no more 7-hour stream and no more 8-hour stream. Work of me over here. Early morning.
Green air out also.
So I'm gonna chop out all of that just to chop out the corner force off fire, so. Oh, another chug jug? Alright then, cool. Me drink it then.
Them update it so you can stop more than one?
No.
Yeah? Oh, nah, come.
Purpose.
Use yourself.
What do you mean?
Where there, you know?
What do you mean?
Man, run left the up, man. See me, I go towards it, you know. And turn back.
See you. Hope you see I'm there in front of you. Hope you're gonna see I'm there in front of you.
That's all I tell you.
Hope you're gonna see I'm there in front of you.
Oh, we not get circle. Yeah, what a circle now.
Cool, slow. Whoa. 10 minutes already.
Oh, Bull, come for that slurp, yeah. It over the stands, you know, the bleachers over there, so. Upstairs. Me I go loot the restaurant. Tony, when you see the blackout for end?
Who?
Monday, them say,
yeah, weekend.
Monday?
I think of that.
Or Sunday night, or the last day?
Yeah.
Is that? No, that. Alright then.
Wait, Tom start move already?
Yeah, man.
Oh. Thank you.
Holy fuck, I'm gonna get though. Things I'm gonna kill 2 llama.
What? Yo. Yo. Them need to fix them connection time out here, you know, or them lag spike, you know.
Brother,
I
you're lucky
swear.
I just when if you come back from your connection time out, me get connection time out, me have to leave the party. And one bag of thing more while I restart up. So
Oh.
unfortunate.
So why you have to see me?
Time see llama.
You see the llama, but you never see the money I shoot off from me, though.
No, him see the llama. When we look towards where the snipe come from, I see the llama. A llama they did him straight away there.
I know, I
So
see it.
him see the llama and then see you.
You see that? You see that?
Oh,
You see that?
yeah, from beside of me.
And you're not gonna get it today, no. You're not gonna get it today, no.
You better run.
Cause I want back all of my shield. I mean, I want your face too. Yo, some boat down here, so, you know. Not, I know whole heap still, but some down here, whoever have that sniper, them have, who carry minis? Who carry minis?
I have 10 already.
Oh, you know something
You have 10 already? Alright. Yo, me I go up there, you know. How much are them up there?
Yeah, I just want, brother.
One person.
They move from this one, and they're on their hood.
I know, just to make sure. Or him jump off.
Him a hide.
Or him gonna fight somebody else over this like an idiot.
Alright, that's the height. Now for the aim. Why you move?
Oh, the circle there. Alright, I can move towards the circle now. And don't take to.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I just use this and go down there, cause I'm gonna use my match bill go down there.
So I use this?
Yeah. Why not?
You said accelerate to move faster. Just like the jump slow. Cover more distance, but it's slow. Move, yo. Still right below him, low.
Yeah.
Do some head damage.
What?
Come on, man, Bill. I wanna kill him. The Ragnarok.
One more there.
Watch out! Yeah.
Yeah, me see.
You see that now? Yo. What? Oh, the what?
Shit, why not come here for?
Oh boy.
Oh, shoot. Yo.
Yo, that man have some kind of aim. I don't know what kind of aim that. Yo, storm, you know. Storm, you know. We need to move, you know, man.
No,
With the
something
launch
going wrong
pad
here,
there.
so something going.
Yo, you better come out of this, you know.
Yep. I try to make yeah, man, I'm it.
Knock one. One dead.
50 headshot. 50 headshot. Yo, me gonna drop off of you, say no. Cause me rather dead to fall damage than make him kill me. Yo, that game, 50 headshot from point blank range. Bull, 2 make it over this. I make it over this, Bull.
Which part?
Right there, sir. Tear right. Background too closer to the storm. Yo,
Hold
yeah,
on,
one shot, you know.
bandage off, you know. Me know.
Yeah, one shot. You should go to say, go for man. The man have 2 HP, people. 2 HP, the man have people. 2 HP, people. 2 HP.
One safe him now go dead from that jump there. Oh.
Watch how the man slide down the ramp.
Oh, you have to slide down the ramp, so.
Me I spectate a bit there. Cause something right.
Yeah, something right for real.
Brother, the man shoot me around a corner. I him last left.
What you do that for?
What I say for? I didn't realize he did look like.
Good, don't see the medkit, man. I'm glad to see you don't see the medkit. Use the band-aid them. Watch a man got. Yo, man, I watch about the camping in the bush, you know.
Camp.
No, sit down and watch him. Yo, Kezan, you know. We're not even have to say it. Yo, 50, me shot the man final. 58. Yo, 15 occasion. Yo. I swear. Joke. That game is a joke. The man shot me for 50. 50. Me shot the man for 50, I mean. Oh, me shot the man for 50. I don't know. The man have 2 HP left. Tony, guess what kind of gun me did have? You see which gun me did have? You see which gun me have? I shot the man. Yo, point blank crazy, me shot the man for 50, you know? Yo. I want to tell you, that brother there. Now go bed. You're not going to your bed? Go on, go lie down. Go on. No, turn around. Come. Hello, you have school tomorrow, you know. Come, guy, bed. Come watch this then. Go up. Go on up. I said leave that, go and lie down. Lazy links. So how the cube end up now? The cube end up all the way at tomato. Yo, it couldn't roll out the whole my estimate Wailing Woods. Bull, you still there? I'm not hear you.
You hear me now?
Oh yeah, man, I hear you. Oh.
Yeah man, me there man.
Yo, people are far the same.
Yeah. See 2 people already.
Me I land over the house.
House?
On the roof. Hopefully I'm get a
Land
gun.
right by the fort, you know. Family city. Alright, them the west. More are running, you know. More man are running.
Watch yourself, Tony. Yo, me have a big shield for now.
One of them. Oh shoot, wanna run on? She dead.
Wanna drive a car come? Bull, wanna drive a car come?
Wanna come?
Yeah, wanna drive a car come?
Alright.
Come back towards me if you can. Go in at chuck. Use the chuck. Try use the chuck. That no star.
Not gun. I'm more than one of them now. Come on. Pull it down from you a while ago.
No, Matt. Material done for me a while ago. Good thing me drink that chug jug there, you know.
That me the one do, you know, me the one heal up and use the rotted med kit. I med kit you get done. I eat me that use.
Good thing me did drink that chug jug because me that dead long time. Me run out of mats. The boy showed the whole for clean of them. Yes. Yeah, so if you go to your bed, you know, if you go to your bed, you wouldn't stop.
Yo, Jimmy, what time you finish stream? Yo. Yo, Jimmy. Tony, you there?
Hold on the bull, I so talk to you. So talk to you, bull. Bull, what you say?
Yeah, me just say what time you done stream.
In a like after that game, yeah. Dominic.
After that.
Yeah,
Alright,
after
you
that
are
game,
going.
yeah.
Message me when you finish. Zin?
Alright then.
Yeah, and that's something they can set up. Yeah, man, me sure.
Alright then, cool.
Yeah, man, out. Yo, Tony, up you know.
Like you might do something.
Ah.
Yeah. Oh, you see people?
Hear me? Yo, I can't move, you know. Never put it there, sir. Want to use the portal? Jimmy.
Use it. Fast. Cause people are dropping for arena.
Where we go?
Somebody there dropping for arena.
No man, when the drift come up, so.
Yeah. Or supply drop right the same, but I don't know where the brother gone. Oh, I'm there on top of the house. Go for him.
No! Shit! But every time the PvP choose report.
I'm there, Tony.
When I host my inputs it. I'm there.
Yo, the boy have a double barrel in there, man.
I'm gonna go left in the air, shit.
That man, Nick?
You got a spear? I'm gonna run on the other side.
I'm dead?
Rude. Got you made the drop.
What?
Shit! Run out, I can get to you.
That no star.
Not fun. Edit the... Come on, man, build a friggin' wall.
Yo, now trash, you know. Oh, you missed 2 shot point blank range with a double barrel. Rubbish. Yo, peeps. I know star.
What's the last game? Charge your stream.
Yo, peeps, I eat that for me, no. But always first man for dead. Yo, yard girl, I deal it. Yo, peeps, I eat that for my fee night, you know. Tomorrow thing again, you know. So me I say, yo, respect for everybody who pass through. Yo, if you not get notifications when I start stream, make sure you click the bell beside my name, subscribe, go on my channel, and click the bell, turn on the notifications, or
Turn
if
it
it's
off
on
and turn
already,
it on.
turn it off and turn it on again. See? So tomorrow again, in the afternoon before I stream again. See me I say? So little more peeps.